Go on. Little girl, why are you farting here? Are you mad? What's wrong with you?
You dey crazy? Why you go mess where person dey eat? You don't even speak English, why you go mess where person? What something worry you?
Wetin I do? I fought for your food. I shift one side the mess and I don't know say go enter your food.
Thunder fire you for where person dey eat.
You dey smell am?
For where person dey eat, you mess with thunder fire you.
Guy, come, it's okay. Let's go. I'm not playing any time.
Hey. Don't use that one. Don't use that one threatening you. You don't use that one. You don't get money to
So pay make a bend.
You go bend today.
We are going to see your mom.
You go bend today. You go not bend.
I come and finish.
Oh yeah, come and pass now. Come and pass.
Thunder fire you.
Oga, if you don't speak, I go blow.
This is not the whole glory. Right?
Una sister dey play here. Una sister dey play. If you sure for you say you be man, pass here now.
You want to
you want try me. You be like you dey crazy.
Where is she? Kebuka, do you see her? It's her. Hi.
Masquerade. Masquerade chasing my daughter. Hey God. This small rest why I say make I rest. Now if she comes to down they cause problem. Which one will be say masquerade for sure?
Oh, come on. You got ready? You need more? Small girl. Bring more. Bring more rice. Ah! Odogu! Nearly.
No rice. She goats they eat rice like this now. I just say na kola nut. Raw fowl. Like fowl where they alive and kai they give goats. They give her rice, they waste money. They give her.
Bring more rice. You don't plate. Can you eat them? Eh? My friend, bring more rice. Hey! Yeah, you be fast now.
And then come.
Ha! Orogu! Otomo! Ah! Where is the rice now? Bring more now. Be fast. Who's the Catania? Zero. That's it. You don't get respect. This small girl. Don't my hand. She's just a small girl. Eh? They'll bring you more. Be fast now.
And then come. Now goats. I know they feel that way.
Just a small girl. Yeah, keep eating.
I feel like una two dey starve this una gods so because the way when they chop, na hunger dey kill am o. Una no dey feel that way.
You no get sense.
Gods, calm down, Okwano, calm down, make you no.
Shut up!
Concern
Someone not throwing you well.
Concern me.
They challenge the gods. You flog the hell out of you.
You don't feel the food now.
Hey! Otomo! Ebube! Nearly. Who's Kataranya?
Obi.
What is it?
Hey.
What is it?
Hey, please.
What is the problem?
Please now.
Eh?
I don't want to be greedy. You can even cheat on me. Cheat on me now.
Cheat on you how? As in cheat on you like that you are what to me? What are you to me? Who are you to me?
Boyfriend. You be my girlfriend. I be a boyfriend. Please now.
Don't stop me again. I will not stop. Don't stop me again. You are pissing me off.
Solly. I want you to be understanding something. But everything that I'm doing is you. It's you that I'm seeing as my true love. And I'm loving you with everything that is in me. And I wanting you to just giving me opportunity to be your boyfriend.
See, let me tell you something, Nabi. If they sent you in this village, go back to them. Tell them that you do not see me. Tell them that you do not see me. Stop disturbing me. I'm warning you. Stop disturbing me.
No. You are getting it wrong, go. Everything that I'm doing is for you. I'm loving you with all my heart. In fact, I don't even want to be sleeping with you. I don't want to sleep. I want to marry.
You want to marry me?
Yes.
This rubbish you're telling me this hot afternoon. You want to marry me? Marry me, you kill you there. I can see that they sent you in this village. But whoever that sent you, tell them that you did not see me. Tell them that you did not see me.
No. Nobody is sending me. Hey, please.
What's up with you? What's all this nonsense?
Obi, cheat on me now, please. Just cheat on me. I don't want to be hey.
Mom. Let's go.
Let's go. No, don't pay me my money.
Wait. Which payments?
Which payment? People now sit down here now, they ask the gods. Is canary? You see that they do like lizard. Now you know what pay again.
Come, you small girl.
You talk about food saying I need to. I mean, you don't know where to talk. You chop for this place. I mean, you know chop. Give me money, make it come up.
So wait, you don't get fear for your eye. You know the fear the ghost.
Because this one resemble ghost. This one be like ghost. This one where they like waiting hunger the wire. See, make una give me. I don't get time. I don't get time. I don't get strength for this bragging. I mean, I'm bragging. Give me my money.
See this small girl. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Oh yeah, take, manage this one, yeah? Come on, let's go.
I beg.
Open more. Why yo? Mind yourself. You don't try finish now, get straight. Now you be this small girl mother. See this your small girl no get fear for eye. If they challenge the gods. If she make us dress for here, we'll go scatter this place, we'll go destroy everything where they are.
She comes to get again. What happened?
See the masculine, I mean, I'm more than they call them. They come to this shop, order food. I said they order like some of them go get the shop. They order, they ask them, you can read, you do like this. You see the shop, you not like frog. No, pay money, they don't want pay.
Okay.
You give me 1,000 self, or to say what happen now. You know how many places where you drop? Only one place at 2,000. How many places where you drop? Calculate and go know how much where you owe me.
So you know the fear. 2 seconds, madam. If you don't let us come out here now, yeah, go just scatter, go destroy everywhere. Yeah.
I beg, you destroy this place. She comes to Biko, allow them to go.
I lie. I don't go let them. I'm going to tell you that don't promise.
You don't do now.
Come on, give me this to me. Come on. Shut up.
She comes on. Come here.
Oh, but then promise this more top or promise. If the other food, what the person gonna do now? What the person gonna do now?
You, when you don't see me ever serve masquerade food for you. Who they serve masquerade food where they pay?
To me, I ask them, I say, to me, for shrine, not because I'm not and I live chicken in the top. They say, make I bring rice.
No, for my business, they think they do sarakabi. I go remove the money what they give you as your this thing. I go remove her from. I go remove your money. You see that money they chop? I go remove her from your money every month.
Hey, my brother. Why ain't you the oil money? What's up, bro? So good to see you. You look good, man. You look good yourself. How have you been? Well, as you can see, I've been doing very well. Please meet Stella. She's my girlfriend.
Oh, how are you doing, Stella?
Stella, this is my girl. The real oil money.
Oh, please stop flattering me. My brother from another mother.
It's good to see you.
I'm so happy to see you.
What about your son, Monashi?
Oh, he went to school.
Oh,
Yes,
school?
I'll be picking him up soon.
No problem.
Alright, let's go inside.
My man! No problem. After you. Man, good to see you. Baby, come on. My girl. You're good
Babe, this is good. This house is lovely.
And you can say that again.
Oh, you mean he owns this house?
Yes, of course. When I just say he's a real estate developer, what he does is he builds houses and he sells them to people.
Wow.
Yeah.
The guy is into money.
You can say that. You know, he has mega money. That's why he's my friend. we've been friends for
K money.
Maji.
Yeah, bro. Yes. I have this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Just like old times, you know.
Just like old times. Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll make it. So my dear, this is for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, you said Monachi went to school?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. That reminds me, what about Jenny? You were saying something over the phone.
Jenny.
Yeah.
Well, I try not to talk about that need with. Would you believe that this young lady stole my gold and ₦1,000,000 and just disappeared without any explanation?
Hold on a second. You mean she stole from you?
Yes. I mean, can you just look at how people just use their own hand to ruin their lives? This is somebody I planned a very good future with, and she just stole my money and gold.
I've always told you that girl was a bad girl.
Oh, well, I wish I listened to you, but I just, wanted to give her the benefit of doubt.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Babe, I want to get something at the car. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Right, I'll be right back.
Take your time, baby.
Okay.
What's up, bro? This one is fresh.
I can see that. I mean, your skills in fornication keeps getting better every day.
I'm learning from you.
No.
Let's drink this.
Please, can you do me a favor? Give me your boss number.
I don't understand though. I should give you my phone number.
Please, can you be smart for once? Be smart. See, give me his number.
Okay, go inside and collect the number now, not too much.
I can't do that in front of my man now. Huh? Give me your boss number. You know what? I'm going to pay for it. You know your boss is cute and nice. And he's rich too. So give me his number. I'll pay.
You will pay?
Yes.
Interesting business. I dig him. Okay, so it will happen now. You will give me 5 pack for his number. You will give me another 5 pack for his WhatsApp number. Then you will give me another 5 pack for his international number. That's overall. Deal or no deal?
I don't understand. Just for ordinary number.
Deal or no deal?
Please give me his number now. See, I'm going to give you 7K. Just give me his number.
Nah, madam, me and you know do a logo market here. Nobody they price me a crayfish price. See, the last thing I go collect from you, na 10K. If not, make I work at the go here.
Come. It's all right. Deal.
Na cash, I be transfer.
I'll transfer.
Oh yeah, now 15.
Calm down now.
On the sume, mama, do fast.
22.
22.
Okay.
15.
Okay.
56.
Okay.
07. 11. Zenith Bank.
Yeah, Zenith Bank.
Can for the name.
Raphael Abu.
Kine.
Look at it.
The question. Oh yeah, slot and mercy. Give me approval.
Done. Look at it.
Hold on. Can confirm this thing. Every are good.
So
just,
can I have the number?
Hold on, just chill. I'll meet here, make I go collect the thing.
Please be fast. Sharp.
Me and you will not see you. Should in case fuck off come out, we no see. I no give you the number. You understand? We don't even meet too. I don't know you, you don't know me. Hi. Oh my. Yes. Hey. So last nah, they go tell me say go marry. Go. I don't go marry. Now this I go come marry. But see we carrying girlfriend come in guy house. You can't leave him boyfriend. Come follow. You choke. Make I no go marry. What did they tell me? Leave me, I don't go marry.
No, bro. Love means nothing to me now. All I care about is myself and to love my son unconditionally.
Sorry, guys.
What happened? What took you so long?
Yeah, I was actually looking for one of my earrings. It fell at the gate, but I have it now.
Well, it's okay.
Oh, sorry about that.
No problem. I'm good.
Back to what we were saying, Michael. Okay. What I'm suggesting you do is, look for someone who is capable of becoming, your life partner. I mean, you can't be staying in this house alone, especially when you have a kid. You need a woman. You need love.
Oh, well, that is balderdash. All they want is money. No true love out there. No empathy, no compassion, no emotion. All I care about right now is myself and my son and my business. Nothing else matters to me.
Well, I'll say to you, my friend, that you need to keep trying. For real. You need to keep trying to get someone who is willing to spend the rest of your lives with you.
Well, I gave up a very long time ago.
I understand. As you can see, my baby is here. And you actually need someone right beside you, okay?
Feelings are real, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will see true love in reality. Oh, let me say it again. Feelings are true, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will witness the true meaning of love.
Come here. You want to talk to me?
I'm very, very worried though. I'm very, very worried. That is why I'm asking to be seeing you, because I needing to be talking to somebody to just expressing myself.
Talk fast, make I go. Mama send me message, so I go cook the go.
But before I am proceeding, I would like to first of all asking you a very, very important question. Chikamsu, how old are you? How many age are you now?
Just say nothing to do. You do okay. Like you do okay, well. So na question na age matter make you call me.
No, it's not too.
No wahala now. Anything. I don't get old enough to know good thing and bad thing, so continue. Talk.
Sorry. I am knowing that you are very, very brilliant.
Talk.
And you are knowing something.
Talk, no time, thank you.
I know. Chikamsu, what I'm telling you is something that has to do with your heart, Ebube Obi. Matters of the heart, it is very, very delicate. It is about your mother. Chikamsu, do you know that I'm in love with your mother? True love. In fact, this one is even pure love. Do you know that sometimes I'm closing my eyes like this and I'm opening it? It's your mother that I'm seeing. I'm sleeping. It's your mom that I'm seeing. I'm dreaming. It's your mother that I'm dreaming. Everything in this life is your mother that I'm dreaming it. Your mother is my dream.
You don't go.
Yes, sir. My true dream.
No, you don't go.
Huh?
I just see you don't go. You don't go like this. What they say now? You sure say they don't give you, make you take some. Make you take some.
It's pure love.
No sleep anything.
Pure love.
Nah, pure love. You get what I mean?
Pure love.
So fear, shame no day of it. Fear no even. Fear agree. You tell me this kind of nonsense when you tell me since.
Chikamso. But I'm the one that I'm fasting and asking you that are you maturity and you're claiming maturity. Eh?
Forget maturity. I dey ask you something, they talk maturity, you dey mad?
Sorry.
Fear agree you talk all this nonsense when they talk. Eh? So as old as you are now, fool like big man like you.
Huh?
You dey open mouth, they talk. Tell me this kind of thing. Make I ask you something. Now love, you love my mama. You love her body. I been her food you love. Why you guys step on the chop free food? Which one you want? Just go straight. No, they go through the corners.
No.
Which one you like? No, they go through the corners. Talk straight.
It's too rough.
Which one you? I don't go ask you again. No.
Too rough and pure rough.
Well, if na food you like, as I see like this now, I know say na hunger they kill you. Hunger they kill you. You never get money chop food. So if you want my mama food, go hustle.
Huh?
If you hustle, bring money, come our shop. I will give you food chop. You get? No, they come talk all this nonsense when they talk. If na mama food you like, go hustle. Work still dey for outside. Go hustle, bring money, come our shop. I will give you food chop. You go chop belly full with your money. No, they talk all this nonsense. I still have to day like this. You never even get money, treat yourself. See your baby. When God they create man being, they give them sense for head. You reach your own turn. Tell us, make you put am for your belly. Then make your belly day like this. Your belly big past your head. Belly day like what person will drink or green water. Person will not get himself. You carry all the sense where they supposed to give you. Put am for this or empty belly. Sense come dey empty. Then make you open your mouth to tell me all this nonsense the way you talk. You still get mouth, they talk, they explain. What you want to explain? You never even get money, treat yourself. See your baby. When you get money first, take care of yourself before you talk say they take care of my mama. It is my mama cheap. My mama no cheap. Mama no be anyhow person where they go. Mama na people we get sense, we get money. See as you be now, look yourself for me. Tell me whether you need woman for your life. Huh? You don't need woman, you need money for your life. See, take time. I don't know that because of this nonsense you call me for you. If I don't go where they send me since come back, I dare they listen to you. You supposed to pay me money for this cancer, why they can't say you? Because you don't say you no get sense. I mean they teach you now. I mean they teach you what for you. After you just sit down, reason your life, look yourself from A to Z. Think whether you fit for this life, get woman for your life. You get money first. Anytime where I call you or Oga, Nabife or brother, no son a mistake. In fact that day, my hand go pen like this.
Huh? Jesus.
So say you supposed to pay me for all this time when you don't
Chigansu. Hey, Nabi, every time you keep on talking to spirits and deity. Chikansu, moi.
Madam, this your food too small. What happened?
Country yard, so we see him.
Yeah. Now wow. So this one now, like this now, how much?
Oh, this girl. You know say school don't. Don't let me to beat you in this holiday you are observing. Don't let me to beat you in this holiday you are observing. What is wrong with you now?
Auntie, I tell you say that door they hard now. You always had to make her open.
Shut up your mouth.
And Nabi,
come back here. What happened to them?
Stop me, they tell me nonsense.
Tell you waiting.
Let me say like you. Say make I help am tell you. Say you want marry you. Say make I talk to him. Say without you, he go die. You be everything for him. Trust me now. I use my mouth reset in memory. I use my mouth design am first for that place.
You know what will happen? I dey come. Make I go tell that idiot one or two word. You see, this is my customer. Never pay me na 2,000. The other one na 1,500. The other na 1,700. You give this girl 500 naira change. I dey come. Straight for shop.
For this month with 2,000. And the answer, she don't answer me now.
Sabi, chicken so. Yeah. Somebody thought about wahala they her body. Chai, she know they are what? She no send your papa. Now which kind picking be this yo? One day one trouble.
I said 3 meat and you put 4.
Okay.
What? How dare you put your hand inside my food? Don't you know your fingers are dirty?
Who tell you? I'm not just sure. I need. Now we need to pass for this place. If you ask this area now we need to pass. If you see my mama now, my mama tell you, we see how she needs.
What?
If I'm gonna say now we need to pass.
What is the meaning of this?
Madam, you said I can't not talk me now. You see now 3 minutes once. I'm mistakenly put 4. I won't come out and back now. Kevin and me go pay our mama.
Little girl, are you mad? Why would you do that?
What is that you mad? People are why? No, I don't like that thing. No, don't insult me. You know say now we need pass for this place. The woman where you carry come here last week. You don't tell me say we need. You don't tell me say we need. What? No, actually the woman where you carry come last week. She confirm and say we need. Say she gonna come here call the chop. You carry woman enter here now last week. Woman wey get big bum bum. Wey turn am. Carry her enter here. The woman as she call the chop finish. We wax have am. She say we need. Say she gonna come here call the chop. So why you call the pretend like say we dey get?
No, don't mind her. Oh, stop talking nonsense. What's your problem?
She knows I'm talking. You know carry woman come here last week. Where do a rubber? We carry bum bum. You no remember?
Babe, you're still seeing Olivia, right? You are still seeing Olivia, right?
Olivia.
Meet me at home.
Babe.
Meet me at home.
Babe, calm down now, calm down.
Babe, this is where you go. Who go pay? Babe, don't come out. Who go pay money?
You this little girl.
Babe, don't
What's
come
your
out. Who
problem?
go pay money?
Pay money?
Who want pay money?
I don't blame you.
Okay, pay me my
I'll
money.
see your mother at home.
Sabi, chicken so. Yeah. Somebody thought about wahala they her body. Chai, she know they are what? She no send your papa. Now which kind picking be this yo? One day one trouble. She be double wahala. Hey yo, hi, yeah. Chicken say very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble, and so she live her life. Oh, chicken so she know they are what they at all. Come so banyo, yeah. Make I ask now which kind of picking no be this year. Picking no like trouble, like your trouble, passive food. One day one trouble,
Stella from where? Oh, Stella. How have you been? I'm very good, thank you. How did you get my number? Oh, okay. What about Kelvin? Oh yes, he told me he was traveling to Abuja too, yes. No, I'm okay, I'm very fine. Yes, not a problem. Thank you very much. Thanks for asking. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much for calling. All right. Yes, I'm very proud of you. Yes, I'm preparing something for Muna. Alright, no problem. Look, I have to go now so I don't mess this up.
So you're in the kitchen. That's good. So what are you cooking for Mona? You are making noodles. Interesting. I like that. Yeah, I like it. Even Kevin cannot even boil ordinary water. Yeah, don't mind me, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Wow, it's nice anyway. So, what about your cook? She got married. Oh, I like that. So, why can't you employ me then? I know that's what you are going to say. Don't worry, I'm just joking, Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Your son is so cute, just like you. Yeah. I saw you both on your DP. Your WhatsApp DP, yes. Yeah, he's so cute. My regards to him, yeah? Alright. We'll talk later. I know. Catch you. Bye.
This today test like everything on sour.
Give am first, chop food.
I don't understand.
Oh yeah, take now. He cold, chop food first.
This one will come cold, this one come hot. Go on. Little girl, why are you farting here? Are you mad? What's wrong with you?
You the Chris? Why you go mess with where person they eat? You don't even speak English, so why you go mess with person? What something worry you?
Nothing I do. I fought for your food. I shift one side the mess and I don't know say go enter your food.
Thunder fire you for where person they eat.
You dey smell am.
For where person they eat, you mess with thunder fire you.
Guy, come, it's okay. Let's go. I'm not paying any
Hey,
time.
hey. Don't use that one. Don't use that one threatening you. You don't use that one. You don't get money to
So pay make a bend.
You go bend today.
We are going to see your mom.
You go bend today. You go not bend.
I come and finish.
Oh yeah, come and pass now. Come and pass.
Thunder fire you.
Oga, if you don't speak, I go follow.
This is not the whole glory. Right?
Una this how they play it. Una this how they play. If you show for you say you be man, pass here now.
You want to
you want try me. You be like they crazy. So for your man, I know if you do am. Pass now.
What's wrong with you now?
Pass now. If you show say na woman for you,
to see your
pass.
mother for this. What's the
Pass now. They mad. They want. Come on, drop your money before you come out. I go injure you. I go injure. I know they play. I go injure you. Drop money before you come out.
Michael, I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Michael, I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. God, this guy is so rich. He's so rich and blessed. What will I do? Stella, I have to shoot my shot very well. I have to shoot it very well. If this guy make me his girlfriend. Oh God. There's nothing again anybody will tell me. As for Kevin, I don't have anything to do with him again. Let's see how it goes. I will not give up. I will make sure I get this guy. This morning, I will not let it die.
Chikamso, what is the color of your problem? What is your problem? Why do you want to chase away all the customers from my shop? What have I done to you? What did I do you?
Nah, me, I don't do anything, no. I don't kill anybody. I just mess. Let me say the mess self they smell. Just friendly mess, one mess. Everybody come they do like say mess now new thing way they do for this life.
Friendly mess.
Eh? Obi, why now, eh? I dey eat. We need to give for us now, so.
Person they chop, person when they chop, pay for the food. Not be free food in the chop.
Will you shut up your mouth? Don't talk to my friend like that. What's your problem?
They do friendship for business, so. So every time they compare, say, I they sell food, I know they see gain. Now the gain should chop like this, so.
See, I will use my back and I will slap you, fly go down that side. What's wrong with you? Eh? What kind of problem is this? I keep you in the house, you cause problem. I bring you to the shop, you cause problem. What will I do that you stay one place? Do you want to kill me? Do you want to give me BP?
Keep me for house again, I'm not going to stop. Or God can me go register for lesson. Make I just stay there.
Okay, so who will now stay in my shop if I go to the market? Who will wash the plates?
Shebi na you dey complain na say I dey stop you for shop. Let me say keep me for shop for house na.
Are you shouting at me?
No.
Okay, you're raising your voice at me.
No.
Okay. Take this money. Go and buy me 2 packs of takeaway. 2 takeaway packs.
Okay.
Chikamso, go there and come back. Don't cause problem. Don't cause trouble.
How much you gonna go buy?
Use the whole money and buy the takeaway. 2 takeaway packs. 2. You go in.
Abeg, Obi. Abeg now. Talk small rice for me.
This one where you turn you never even finish am. You want make my mouth dry?
Fire you get. Now, pick the slippers. Pick the slippers. Bring the slippers back.
Nothing, I'm not gonna blow for you. You go here, go.
You're still there.
Obi. So pikin don't see me finish. Eh? If not beside your friend, I would not stop to eat food take. But how can I say no to my friend's food? That's small.
Say no now to the friend's food.
How can I? Eh? Our friends, what are friends for? This small. Obi, this small.
Somebody talk about wahala dey her body. She know they are what? She no send your papa. Now which kind pikin be this yo? One day one trouble. She be double wahala.
How are you?
Smart girl. How are you doing?
Fine.
Take
One
this money.
pack.
I'm owing her. I'm
One
owing your
pack.
mom. So tell her that
Your money.
Uncle Onyeka
One pack.
pay
Your money.
the money that he's owing. Are you hearing me?
Your money. Uncle what?
Uncle Onyeka.
One pack. Your
Okay
money.
now.
Uncle
Bye
Onyeka,
bye.
one
Make sure you
pack.
don't fight too. Uncle Onyeka, don't forget.
One pack. Your money. One pack. Uncle Onyeka, one pack. Your money. Uncle Onyeka, one pack.
Ben, I don't like the balcony in the city.
You want us to expand it?
Yes, I want it expanded.
Okay, we'll work on that, sir.
So what about chippings? Why is it not here?
I've called them. They're on their way.
And how many have you guys used already?
We've used about 5 so far. 5
Right.
chocolates, yes.
Okay. What about the one in the kitchen, the balcony? I don't like it. It's too small. What was the measurement again?
I think it was 15 by 12.
15 by 12.
Yes.
Alright, let's make it 15 by 15.
No
Alright.
problem.
Alright, let's go see what you're doing there. How many bags of cement do we have left?
It's like about 50. 50 yes.
Somebody talk about wahala dey her body. She know they are what? She no send your papa. Now which kind pikin be this yo? One day one trouble. She be double wahala. Ayo, hi, yeah. She comes say very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble, and so she live her life. Oh, she come so she know they are what they are told. Come so banyo, yeah. Make I ask now which kind of picking no be this year. Picking no like trouble, like a trouble, passive food. One day one trouble, and so she deliver. Come so banyo, hey yo, joy. Somebody does about wahala they her body. Jai, she know they are what? She no send your papa. Now which kind picking be this yo? One day one trouble. She be double wahala. Hey yo, hi, yeah. She come say very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble, and so she live her life. Oh, Jai, she come so she know they are what they are told. Come so banyo, yeah.
So I have made the transfer. Okay. I want this house ready for sale in the next 6 months. You understand?
Alright, so we have a deal.
Ben, I have seen you so many times eating from the roadside. I don't think it's healthy for you.
Okay, forget that, you know. This lady is the best cook in this entire community. As a matter of fact, she cooks way better than most of these big name eateries out there.
Roadside food?
No.
I mean, that is unbelievable.
Okay, I'm telling you, forget all those big name restaurants. So they are just packaging. If you test all this food, you will confirm now. Yeah.
Roadside food? Well, I like the aroma, but it's still a no-no for me. I'm very selective of what I eat.
Okay, leave that big English. Leave selective. See, taste the food. You will confirm.
No, I'm good, thank you. Okay, I will be in the car. I have to attend to this.
No problem.
Hello? Stella? Oh, yes.
I'm fine, thank you. You couldn't even call back. It's not fair now, yeah? It's unfair. Yeah. There's no problem. So, how are you doing? Okay. Thank God that you are fine. So, where are you now? Oh, at the site? Don't mind me, I'm just joking. I'm just alone. I'm just here all alone. Yeah. Well, I'm a little bit bored, so let me just call to check up on you again. Okay. You call me back? Let's promise. No, promise me you are going to call me back. Okay, I'll be expecting your call. Like, I can't wait. Yeah. Okay. Just take good care of yourself for me. Yeah? Alright. Bye. Have a nice day.
You and Kevin.
Who is Kevin? Ha! I'm talking about his rich, handsome friend. And you are here talking about Kevin.
Babe.
Yes?
You and that guy are talking.
Of course. What's new? Like, I don't understand. Is anything wrong with it?
Huh. It is wrong. That's your guy's friend.
And so? See, babe, Kevin is not around. Kevin traveled to Abuja. As it stands now, probably he will be with another girl. We're talking about him.
Please take it easy.
I will.
You are endangering your relationship.
See, babe, let me tell you something. You see that guy, that Michael, if I finally get him, forget it.
Okay. So, are we going out to eat or what?
I don't even have strength to eat, so let's locate outside now. Let's get something outside.
Okay, that's fine.
Chikamso, do you know you are very, very, very lucky? You are very, very, very lucky that I am in good mood. Even that I'm in good mood now, see, I will be catching you like this, and be frogging you, till you are wee on your clothes like this now. Huh? I can't even be trying myself. Huh?
I don't get your time. You see what you're going for hand. I won't go give them to my mama. I don't get your time at all.
How can you be even trying myself? How can you be trying me and making mockery of me and making caricature and even be lying to your mother? Eh?
You want fight me?
Huh?
No, you want beat me. Oh yeah, no, stand up fast. You want beat me? Make we fight.
So you are preparing for fight?
This I don't know what you want.
Huh?
Make it for they come our shop. They chop free food. After you go see chop my mama for free. Clean mouth.
Hey.
This I don't know now. Not them. You see you for this village. Anything, any nonsense where you vomit this your mouth, anything where you talk, I go tell my mama, whether you like them or not. If you like, vomit another one now. My ears still they open. If I get home now, I go still tell my mama, I go still hear. Oh, waiting. Waiting be that you go chop me. Waiting.
So you are not wanting me to chop in your mother. You're not wanting me to chop in her. Okay, but let me be telling you now. You see you now, in this village now, you will be seeing it with your eye now that me now, and your mother were going to be boyfriend and girlfriend. In fact, I'm going to even be marrying her totally now. And you now, I'll be your stepfather. In this village now, you'll be seeing it to happen now.
No, wala. If you want to be my stepfather, no, you're not going to be my stepfather. I go be your stepmother now. Because like this now, she won't marry my mama. Me, I go marry your papa. Your papa go come become my sugar daddy. So like this now, instead of you to be my stepfather, now me go come be your stepmother. You get that? Wait till you close down your mouth, make her go. I don't get it.
Yeah? Chikanso, I'm targeting your mother and you're targeting my father. So you are targeting my father. Okay, and I'm targeting your mother. Okay, it's 2 by 2 and 4 by 4. Okay, don't worry. So you're having plans now. I see that you're having plans.
My dear, sorry, Now take away the wait for. My pikin go buy take away pack. Shebi na your mama send you, abi? Just wait. She can't nonsense. See this girl. Stop. Ordinary take away pack. Now I dey wait for her like space we go Kaduna.
I'm not on time. What do you want?
I don't come back.
What's in this?
What you say make her buy? You see there? You want make mama dry through.
Are you mad? What did I tell you make you buy? What did I tell you to buy for me? What did take away pack were asking me to buy? 2 take away packs.
No. You not tell me take away pack.
I
just sing and they come out. Now Maggie pack you say make her buy all the money. I use them now.
Okay, I don't tell you make you buy take away packs.
No. Maybe not mistake. No, normally we do that kind of mistake. You go carry something for my but not what you go talk. Maybe if you want to tell me take away pack, not tell me Maggie pack. Me I sure say na Maggie pack you tell me make her buy all the money.
I tell you make you buy Maggie pack.
Why you dey laugh now? What should we be here?
See, if I go come back, you still hold this Maggie. Just forget, say, no, just follow me go house today. My sister, no verse, make I go buy take away come. And they come, I go deal with you. No. Don't worry, they come for you. They come for you.
So I got the laugh. What you dey laugh? You don't chop our food finish. So what they go?
No, just face me. You see your life.
You never believe me.
If not, to begin they count how many plates your mama friend. You go know that one. Ordinary takeaway pack, you know if you buy.
You not be my mama friend though. My mama they help you, be beggar. My mama pick for road, my mama they help you.
Me beggar?
Yes. So now, me I get my own slippers so. Go fight it now. I go disgrace, I go naked you for this thing now. Market people together. This thing I dey fear you. I don't fear you. I dey fear you no get work, you no get money, me I get work. I dey assist my mama dey pay me small. I dey get small African money. How much you get? Go sit down one place.
Don't worry.
Beg me now make I give you more food though.
My hand will touch you. Chop am, make you choke you.
I no go
chop that food.
As I dey go, sef that one wey dey for your mouth wey no gree you talk, I just dey pray make you choke you, make you die.
After you choke you,
make I call your guy, I come chop jollof rice.
Sabi, chicken so, yeah. Somebody talk about wahala dey her body. Chai, she no dey her what? She no send your papa. Now which kind picking be this yo? One day one trouble, she be double wahala. Hey yo, hi, yeah. Chicken say she very stubborn fella.
We need to get water.
And I don't know anywhere in this area. How do you do this now?
There's no borehole around?
I don't know. I don't know this area that well. I don't know.
This one you are calling me Oga Benji. Is everything okay?
Please, we need water. I mean, my car is overheating.
Our car break down, so we find water. I better help us now.
What kind of water? Pure water?
No, bucket light.
Bucket of water?
Yes.
Okay, my house is not far from here. Come in.
Okay. Oga, this girl, she's killing. I have asked her out now on several occasions, but she declined.
Why?
I guess you know I won't take her serious now. That kind of thing.
Why won't you take her serious?
She's a single mother now.
You know, you sound very ridiculous. I mean, what is wrong with being a single mother? They didn't make themselves single mothers. I mean, some of them were raped. Some of them were lied to. What do you expect them to do? It's not a crime to be a single mother. I mean, you need to delete that ridiculous mentality out of your head.
Me for no bring Korea, Oga. No problem. Point taken. But me, I still can't marry a single mother. I don't feel marry her.
You have a long way to go in life, my man.
Sorry.
Thank you very much. Let me open the bonnet.
I'll be fine, girl. Hey.
Oga Benji, I don't understand this you're hailing.
Not today. I could be hailing you.
I think we should hurry up and bring someone else who can get sweaty. So.
Stand up, big man want enter. Stand up, make us have our food. Oga Benji, next person wants our food.
Thank you, sir. No problem.
This is your place, yes?
Yes, this is my shop. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I'm very grateful.
Okay. Alright. Bye-bye. See how much? 200,
Mama, who be that man wey drop you now?
Now your ancestor. Wash this pack for me, make I use and start for food.
Mama, na man be that too.
No, na man nicking. Wash that thing for me. Let me say na man. Wow. Hurry up! My dear hair, rice how much?
You be mumu man. Na me talk am. I say you be mumu. Na breast and nyash na go kill you.
I'm better dying, you know. I'm better dying to less and less very, very well. Better die, you know.
You go die, you go less. That's your less. We go less by you by time. How can you have mind to be telling somebody's daughter that you have feelings for her mother? Who does that? Huh?
Hey, is it light too? You are very, very light. Hey, nah, I mess up. Huh? You mess up again. Hey, but you won't understand. You won't be understanding because me, I needed somebody to express my feeling to. Somebody to be talking to.
You needed somebody to express your feeling to. And at the end of the day, it's her, that girl, her daughter. That you want to express you go soon express and express both will jam you. You needed somebody to express your feeling.
But Eze, you don't even need to be thinking it that way, self. Eh? Be cool down because you don't even understand what I'm going through. Then I'm not even feeling fine. Oh. I was not feeling fine. I was sick. Very, very sick. But you are forgetting it now. Forgetting it because you see that girl, Obi, I'm loving her. It's true love. I'm giving her serious loving. True love.
I'm loving her. True love, Rob. You're robbing her. So what do you now want me to do?
But we have already agreed, nah?
Agree waiting. What did we agree? What do we agree?
We have already agreed, nah? We agreed that I'm taking you there and I'm buying you food. And you are helping me to be expressing my feeling. Feeling to her, nah? In a very, very, very correct English.
That's a blessing. Okay, are you ready to buy me the food now?
Huh?
Are you ready to buy me the food? So that you can express your feeling.
Eze, I'm taking you there. I'm buying you one bread. And you are helping me to express my feeling of true love.
Don't be by expressing my feeling. Are you trying to say that you're going to buy me one plate there for her shop?
Eze, but you're helping me. You're going to be
make with the go. Not be there helping me. I know you now. Not be you again.
Collect English.
Not be collect English.
You speak collect English.
You go soon left like
you use English to
Sabi, chicken so. Yeah. Somebody thought about wahala they her body. Jay, she know they are what. She no send your papa. Now which kind picking be this yo? One day one trouble. She be double wahala. Ayo, yeah. Chicken say very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble. And so she live her life for Jay. Chicken so she know they are what they at all. Come so banyo, yeah. Make her ask now which kind of picking no be this year. Picking no like trouble, like a trouble, passive food. One day one trouble and so she deliver. Come so banyo, ayo, I.
Give me pot and they look for this thing cover.
Sorry.
Yeah, wash that cup cover.
Sorry. I'll be at the way too.
Give me am.
I'll be at the way too.
No, collect her from my nose. Don't collect her from my nose.
Very delicious.
What's wrong with you? Inside my food.
Did you sneeze inside the food?
No be inside I sneeze oh. Nah, by the side I sneeze. And you know say person no fit control this kind of sneeze.
How can this small pin charger sneeze inside my food?
Oga, I beg. I won't have you insult my daughter.
I no sneeze, no be sneeze inside.
I know the chop again, not by force.
Go chop now, go chop.
What's wrong with you?
Oga,
have you forgotten what to block us here?
We are calling you.
So were you not here when she sneezed inside my food? And you?
No problem.
What kind of picking is this?
I no sneeze inside the food now.
What do you mean by you
not side I sneeze?
You sneeze for side for customer.
Feelings are real, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will see true love in reality.
When I was young,
Let me say it again. are true. No need to doubt.
Tell me, good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. How are you?
That girl, she did get to. One girl, that girl.
Which girl?
Now we did like this, we get here. We don't just did like this. So she did that way, follow your friend come that day. Now.
Oh.
You remember?
Yeah, I remember. Let her in.
Okay, man.
Alright, my boy. Go on, so.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Good evening, dear.
I'm going to go now.
Yes, you can go. Yes, good evening. How are you?
Sorry I didn't call you while coming. Actually, I was at the neighborhood, so I got stuck. And it's late, I can't go back home. Please, can I spend the night here? Tomorrow morning I'll be leaving.
Sure, that's not a problem. You can sit.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Mona, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Mona, just go to your room and sleep, okay? It's late. So you can wake up early for school tomorrow, okay? Alright.
Good night, Dad. I love you.
I love you too, my boy. That's my boy. So, I mean, what can I offer you?
Can I change my choice?
Oh, no problem. Let me show you to the room.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright.
Wow. The bedroom is very nice. So lovely.
Thank you very much. So this will be your bedroom for the night. I hope you like it.
Why? Sure. I really appreciate it.
Fine. Maybe I should get you something to change into.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, and I'll be back.
Alright. Wow. I love this place. Oh, Kevin's coming. Oh my God. Hello there. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, please. My battery is down. Can we talk tomorrow? That's what I'm saying now. We don't have lights. Yeah, even the power bank too is off. Please, let's talk tomorrow, yeah? I'll call you when I charge my phone. Alright, take care. Bye. Shit. Oh, God. Wow. Can't wait.
So I've closed for today. I just want to go to the market and get things for tomorrow. And then I'll go home and rest.
Okay, I will drop you off at the market. And I'll still bring you back home.
No, there will be no need for that. I mean, the market is just here. I just want to get a few things.
I know the market is just here. And I want to take you there and bring you back.
Sir, honestly, you don't have to do that. Sir, I don't want to stress you. It's not just the market here. I'll just go to the market.
Obianuju, I insist. I will take you to the market and bring you back. Okay?
Sir, seriously, I don't want you to stress yourself. Like I said, I can find my way to the market.
I'll be waiting for you in the car. Okay?
Feelings are real, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will see true love in reality. Oh, let me say it again. Feelings are true, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will witness the true meaning of love and joy when you find true love. Hey, everything go better when you find true love. You will witness the beauty of love. I say when you find true love, you will see, say, love is magical. If you find true love, you go enjoy it, yeah. Everything go blend, everything goes up, baba. You go to feel like small picking with a drinky baba. You go to feel on top of the world. When you find a special one, when you find true love, true love, true love, true love. Hey, everything go better when you find true love.
Oh, you're welcome. I just transferred 100,000 to you. You see me?
Jesus. Sir, what for? Why?
I mean, it's nothing. For all your services and the food you'll be cooking for me this weekend.
Sir, it's too much now.
Come on, it's okay. Accept it with love.
Thank you.
Alright. I have to be on my way now.
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Feelings are real, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will see true love in reality. Oh, let me say it again. Feelings are true, no need to doubt. Emotions are true.
100,000 from a rich man. That saying is too big.
Hey, everything go better when you find true love. You will witness the
Muna, come in. The door is open. Stella?
Yes.
Is everything alright?
Yeah, I'm not feeling sleepy. I don't know why. Please, can I join you here?
No. Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, you can join me, yeah.
Cool.
Yes.
Your room is nice.
It is?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, can you tell me more about yourself? Like, everything I need to know.
Oh, well, it's my bedtime. Maybe some other time. You said you were bored, so just... I think you need to relax or something. I have to sleep now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Alright, good night.
Good night.
Jesus!
Please, calm down.
Don't you dare touch
Please,
me.
calm down.
Are you mad? Wait, you were trying to take advantage of me while I was sleeping?
Come on, hear me out.
Are you crazy?
Just give me the chance to prove my love for you now. I will take good care of you and your son.
You must be very stupid. How dare you?
Baby, please.
Get your hands off me! What is this? I mean, why are you women all the same?
I can't hide my feelings any longer. Can't you see? Please give me the chance. I love you.
If you dare lay your hands on me again, don't make me abuse you.
Michael, can't you see? Can't you see the love I have for you? Just read my eyes.
You're Calvin's girlfriend? And you... Look.
You can do it on your own. Please.
Don't make me do something stupid. Get your hands on me. Get your hands on me!
I love you. Like, I can't hide my feelings anymore. You're the man I want in my life. Can't you see, Michael? Baby, I love you so much.
You are beautiful. Get out of my house! Get out of my room right now!
Michael,
look, if you don't want me to tell your boyfriend about this, leave my room peacefully.
Baby, please hear me out.
Don't you...
You're the one
Don't you dare. Get out. Get out! I mean, why are you women all the same? Why? Why? Just... Jesus Christ.
God. It's me, Stella. I've never been this rejected before. Oh my God. What really happened? Like, I don't understand. God, what will I do now? Am I not attractive? Like, am I not this beautiful? Why is this guy rejecting me? What will I do now? What will I do? God, I have to do something.
Oh hey yo, she dey fear nobody. Over sabi, chicken so yeah. Somebody talk about wahala dey her body.
Chicken so. Chikamsu. Chikamsu. I've been calling you inside. What's the problem?
Me, I want to ask you a question. Me, I want just know something. I just want to know the person we carry for that big car. Can't drop it for this house. Who the person be?
Was that what you were thinking about? Yeah? Anyways, a new customer. A new customer.
Customer? So, you don't enter customer account. Customer don't they bring it from house.
Will you shut up your mouth? What's wrong with you?
Oh, me, I want to know now because they somehow. I never see you enter car. Big car for that matter.
We have work at his house this weekend.
Hey! His house?
Yes.
So the customer never even balance as customer. You don't visit in house.
It is called home service. It is called home service. We're going there to cook. Me and you. We'll go there this weekend.
Me, I don't talk my own. You see, men are evil, men are bad. I don't say that your body in the look.
So tell me, what do you know about men?
I don't know why all this money they really work. This is going to take us. I tell you, say they're bad.
Am I the one you're talking to? When you're going inside and go and wash the plates, you left for me.
Hey!
Go and wash plates!
Okay. If I dey talk, you'll be like, I don't know what
you shut up your mouth. You should shut up your mouth there. Are you still talking? Eh? What's your problem?
Tell me now, eh? Who's that cute guy?
So, Foro, since that man came to my shop, you've been asking about him. Eh?
Tell me now.
Just tell me. Okay. He's my customer.
Oh, customer.
No, clients.
Problem. Well, just be careful. That's my own. Be careful.
Why?
Men are not to be trusted. So that you won't do something you regret in future.
And who is doing something that I will regret?
That man has been calling you.
But I told you that I'm going to his house this weekend to prepare some food for him. That's why. I mean, he's calling me to know how I'm going to go about it, if I'm ready for it and all. Nothing much.
Oh, allow. At least, I can go with you now.
To go and do what?
You need helping hand. I'll cut onion and some other things.
So that you can eat all my fish.
Don't worry, I'll not eat your fish. But I need to be there. Somebody needs to be there with you. So that they'll not take advantage of my friend.
No. That man looks like a very responsible man. But he not looks, he is very responsible.
Because of his looks. My friend, looks can be deceiving.
What are you still doing here? I thought you were gone for good.
Out of your house? I'm making breakfast for all of us. You asked me out of your bedroom, not out of your house, you know. See, baby boy, we can keep this as a secret for us. I'm ready to do anything for you.
Don't take your hands off me.
I know you have no woman in your life. Just give me the chance to prove my love for you.
You know what? I'd rather pick a strumpet from the street than have anything to do with my best friend's girlfriend or whatever the hell you call yourself. Get your hands off me!
Relax. I know you are heartbroken.
I am not heartbroken, young woman. Now go to your room, take your belongings and dash out of my house right now.
At this point, I'm going nowhere. Let's see how you react to this.
What is your problem?
You are my problem.
Do I owe you anything?
Yes, you are my problem. Oh yes, why are you acting this way? Like I don't understand. You're bigger than this. Okay, see.
Don't touch!
Michael, I'm not leaving this house. Michael, I really want you in my life. Can't you see? I want you.
Well, for the love of Christ, Stella, I don't want you. You are my friend's girlfriend. What is wrong with you? Are you mad?
Okay, I'm not disputing that.
Then why do you want to have an affair with his friend? Do you want to ruin our friendship? You said yesterday you were leaving first thing this morning. Please, kindly leave.
Michael, I'm not leaving. You can do your worst. Why are you acting like a child?
Ebube! Come.
Don't even call him to kick me out. Michael.
Son. Well, this thing has decided to stay in my house. If anything here goes missing, you will have courage to answer the police station. Do you understand? Yes, sir.
Michael! Michael! Oh my God.
Madam, what's up, you man? This is not the gentleman that we can tell you.
You tell me say Oga say make you come inside. What you tell me?
Guy, how do I make your Oga to fall for me? Like, just tell me how. Tell me. Have you get serious dates?
No, as in party where me and my Oga dey. As in one boy and the Oga, they are not close friends. They tell me one kind of nonsense for police question where they ask me like this. I better come out from this house. We should be here with my Oga talk. Say police station. I don't want you to say I hear am say I enter inside there. Just come out. Come out.
You dey mad? You dey mental? Come and push me out. Let me see. Fool.
Oh, hold on. Oh. Nah, you don't get grant now. You don't get grant now. You don't take. You don't balance. Just lay there they play. You go learn in hard way now. Make I go visit my sister. Stupid. Come on, friend. You want use my head? You tell me say make I open gate. I will not open gate for you now. You dey come balance. Come cross left for your papa house. Come cross left. I go shoot you. I go.
Fool. Very disgusting.
Hey, Kai. God, your daughter don't suffer. What do you mean say you like me and you want date me? You want date me as waiting. You don't even fear. You carry this your two left leg, come my house and tell me this nonsense. I just say you been Nabi here, friend. I want to say Nabi here send you.
Nabi. If that star kid, I'm broke illiterate. He doesn't have shishi. He want to rob. He's even rob. Me, I love you. Truly. Okay. I just want to show you my profound and unwavering love.
Now carry that profound and unwavering love and leave my compound. Go! Carry your profound love, they come up for here. Carry your profound love, they come up for here. You say you want that, you don't even live here. Come over here. Get out. Get out of here. Get out of here. You are here to show me your profound love.
I love you so much.
Love kill you there. Love will twist your neck. It's yours.
You miss me.
I will miss you. I don't even have strength to talk to you. Can you imagine? Look at this antelope. You love me. Eh? There's a love. I beg. This village self, they don't tire me.
I'm not understanding you.
No.
I'm not understanding you at all. You are having too many mago up and down. I'm not understanding now.
When you like Naija, I go to understand. How we understand? I said she no agree. Look for another alternative. Hey, leave Nash.
Wait, are you serious? Are you truly serious? Are you serious?
Are you?
Let's be serious now.
Wait, are you trying to tell me that I don't know what I'm saying? Okay. Let's go. Go and speak your own English. Huh?
But, are you trying to say that this girl, Obi, cannot even give me one Ntulu rov?
I said she don't even want to hear me call Nabi. Huh? Immediately I called your name. Insult everywhere.
You mean?
Huh?
Jesus.
She nearly poured me hot water. I've told you, you cannot be wasting your time with a girl that have given birth and stubborn on top. What do you want to achieve?
But I'm loving her and it's true love.
That rov will soon kill you. Huh? That rov will rob you inside the gutter. I've told you.
But does it really matter if I'm speaking good English or not? Is it the English she's roving or my true rov that I'm giving her?
Your true rov and your English will not get that girl. Go and make money. How can you be a stark illiterate and still can't speak common English?
I say you're a stupid man. No?
Now you be stupid.
You're a foolish man. You know, I don't have Papa go.
Person way too like Nyash. And person like me that can speak good English. Who is better?
Listen, are you doing comparison?
You cannot be stark illiterate and still be broke at the same time. You're speaking English with your off. Go and make money. Money. You cannot be a jam wage. You cannot go and try and make money if you cannot speak English. Are you hearing me? Don't be wasting your time for a girl who doesn't care about you. Carry your rub, know where you go rub out, and go express your feeling unless you're tired.
Eze, are you insulting me?
No, I'm not insulting you. I'm admiring you.
So you are insulting me, Eze?
Nabi, go and make money. You cannot be broke and stark illiterate at the same time. Huh? Your rub cannot earn you anything.
Eze, are you insulting me?
I'm insulting you. Go and make money.
Akobagono. Okay, Akobagono, Abi. And you're even doing comparison. So what the law? There is no problem. I'm using another format to be getting her.
Are you alright?
Are you okay?
You can use this. I mean...
I beg you. No, I beg you now. You want just answer good man. I beg you. I don't beg you anything. Why they give you? I think I don't feel buy Yankee. That is not cheap Yankee. Why give me?
It's just a kind gesture.
I know. Now what you want make I call you? Make I call you say you be kind man, good man. Now what you want now? I don't want. Take your Yankee. Now just I don't know why I come. When I just for this one small mind. When I just I don't know why I come. Just because of food. Hey, now why I enter here now? I don't see my mama on her face change because my mission don't fail. My mama no did. I just start calling to my mama. To chop food. Chop food. I don't chop. Come back from my shop.
Well, I thought you said she was a child.
She is indeed. I'm just surprised she's doing this. What's with the attitude?
When I chop, come up here now. When I want to wait to, when I go have to go rest.
Alright, it's fine. How much is your money?
5,000.
For what?
What's it concern? So you don't say if you go big restaurant and 10,000 you go pay. You just say that for that food and small food. You know how many meat put inside? How much you want for food? Don't try me.
Wait, this small thing na 5,000.
Now you they pay. You know let person they pay. Talk.
That won't touch me.
Okay, it's fine. So how much is your money again?
10,000.
Yeah? How?
5,000 for one plate. 10,000 for 2.
Okay, we smart in you.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
You just say you like my man. I know. I don't say you like him. Now like this, you go take the sit down.
I added an extra 1,000 for you.
Yeah?
Yes. Well, I think you still need this handkerchief.
I don't need that. Think. Okay, you can just manage that.
She dey fear nobody. Somebody daughter but wahala dey her body. She no dey her what? She no send your papa. Now which kind pikin be this? Only one trouble. She be wahala. Ayo, she come say very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble, and so she live her life. She come so she no dey what at all. Come so banyo, yeah. Make I ask now which kind of pikin no be this year? Pikin no like trouble, like a trouble, passive food enough. One day one trouble, and so she deliver. Come so banyo, ayo, ay,
Which one be two for? I think we don't pay. We don't pay now.
Okay, that's all I don't pay. Come now, no be okay, no be fight. Okay, that's all I don't pay.
Yeah, we don't pay now.
When will I pay? When you pay me?
Eh, we no be thief for here. Where your money?
Why you use your mouth the cash? I never call you thief. I say when you pay me.
I think say we don't pay you now. Maybe now because say you dey sleep now, make you think say we never pay you. We don't give you money now.
Okay, I understand now. Thief!
Hey! Yes, sorry. We know say we never pay. We don't accept that we never pay. We just think say we go do you by as they be na normal street level. You know how the situation of the country be. Normal level.
Why you go do that kind of nonsense now?
No verse now.
You don't pay, you never pay.
We never pay.
So why you go all wrong?
We say we feel as smart you. That's
why. You say you feel as smart me. Oh, you pay the money now. Make that go.
If you get money, if I don't give you now, normal level.
No for come here,
come
job
money. Now later we go allow you now. Now as we take this package matter before now.
Understand?
Why do you so with the whole of like?
Touch me!
We no get money now.
We no fit come here, come dey chop, come dey. You feel say we just come.
Easy now. Easy.
No wahala. I know wetin go settle am. I get plenty work for inside. Una go fit do. Una go wash plate for 2 days.
Hey! This guy wash plate again. How big boy like me go dey wash plate? Hey! Now. Sorry, we go do am. No be number plate. We went on the wash plate for restaurant. I don't wash plate. I wash am.
Alright, before we proceed, make una give me una phone. Submit your phones.
Phone?
You get phone? I don't get phone.
Because una fit no come tomorrow now. Not before we see what they see.
Hey!
Come on, hand. Not before we see.
Now.
Person wey chop food too for no fit sit guy for where they use. Your own. Bring your own. Submit.
Because of ordinary food of 2 for now you can't do food.
You get 2-4 only because of 2-4. See the kind for way you get this kind thing now. That 2-4 now you don't finish that buy this phone. You get happy. The 2-4 you go times and you go know how many you go times and before you go fit afford this phone. So why you want to pay now?
Now one thing get as it be now.
You use plenty money buy this phone but you don't fit pay your food. Come wash plate. I got plenty to go wash.
Yeah, somebody daughter but wahala dey her body. Jai, she know they are what? She no send your papa. Now which kind picking be this?
Your mama don't employ workers.
So we see Amo, I got the run and no be man. Them chop finish, they no gree pay. I can't employ them.
I don't understand. How?
How be say the chop finish, they no get money, I employ them. Okay, if you help me stay for this shop, make I rush go house, go drink something. I dey come no, just stay for me.
Where they go?
Make I go house, come back, I dey come.
Come here. I be your mate.
No be matter of the be mate, we no be mate, I know say we no be mate. Just stay here for me, I dey come back. I dey
come so.
I dey come like for this
Tell me. I don't blame you. This girl and mama don't see me finish. I don't blame you. Stupid girl.
She know they are what? She no send your papa. Now which kind picking be this yo?
Thank you for everything, sir. First thing in the morning tomorrow, I'll be there.
It's alright.
Okay. I was doing my chores before.
It's okay, I understand.
Alright.
Take your time.
Let me go back.
Alright.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Alright.
Somebody daughter but wahala dey her body. Jai, she know they are what? She no send your papa. Now which kind picking be this yo?
Alright.
One day one trouble, she be double wahala. Ayo, I, yeah. Chicken sexy, very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble, no, so she live.
Why did you face like that? What kind of face is that?
The face me say me, I don't know what this man going to do for this house. Cause I know I talk and say this come, you go lead somewhere.
Who dey my shop?
I don't say finish.
You don't say finish. Now you leave my shop. So you don't go use my food do saraka. No, why just come out? Use my food do saraka.
I say I don't sell everything. I sell everything finish. Your money dey intact with me. I sell everything finish. But what did this man come this house come dey do? I don't understand the game.
Which people phone? Who get that phone? This too big phone, who get them?
My boys. People where they work for me.
Which boys? For where?
My worker boys. They for shop. They work for me.
Work for you? For my shop? Who get those phones?
I say na my boys. People wey chop, they don't get money pay. I can't say maybe I can't employ them. Say maybe they wash plates. Give me their phone. Now my employees them be.
Will them be your employees? Wow, what a wow. Give me the phone. Give me the phones.
No, they work for now.
See if I see my hand. If you land for your face, you will get yourself. Give the phone. Oh yeah, they go shop. Straight to the shop.
Now why you leave me for shop? Come have make it see man.
You say what it? If I slap you,
Idiot!
She dey fear nobody. Never sabi. She comes so.
Speaking get sense, so. Eh? But how people go come buy food and no go fit pay for the food? She dey useful. Mami Bona. She dey very useful.
She be double wahala. Ayo, she comes so is a very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble, and so she live her life. She comes so
Welcome. Oh, thank you. She's still inside. She's there. She's not going to go.
Oh my God. I mean, what?
Daddy, who is she?
Don't worry about it, okay? I hope she did not go to my room.
No, come on, buddy. Everywhere good.
What about the other room?
I secure everywhere. Secure everywhere center. She no enter room. She dey mad. She no fit try. I lock room.
I lock him.
Alright. Let's go. Sometimes they give me every time I beat this man.
She did they do all this kind, they do Regina, come on, they do the fanboy, cool boy. Give me order! Make I bundle this girl, come on from her, simple. Just come out this bed, I don't even do too much. Now if I come out this bed, wipe am here. I know even body go tell I say there's fire on the mountain, she go just run, come out from here. You know, make cool. If she even beat you for inside, I don't even come out. She can't rubbish.
You called me.
Let's sit. Sit. May I have your account details?
My account details?
Yes.
Okay. 62 32 64 9340.
Which bank?
Fidelity.
Okay. Stella Benedict?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wow. For real?
Yes. But I'd like you to do something for me.
Okay.
I'd like you to leave my house. Please.
Baby. Okay. So, what about your clothes? Can I go with it?
Fine. You can go with it.
Okay.
And one more thing. On no account should you come back to this house without Kelvin. Do you understand?
Baby, please stop. Okay, see, talking about Kevin, he's in town, but I hope he's not going to know about this. Now,
hey.
Yes.
Please leave.
Okay, fine. See you later. Babe, he transferred all this money just for me to leave his house for good. You don't understand. This guy, he has money. Oh.
Wait. You mean your mission failed and he still gave you money?
Yes, of course. As soon as I discovered that he doesn't want problem, I have to change. And guess what? This money came out. The money pumped out. They are lots. Yeah.
That guy is truly rich then.
You can say that again.
Babe.
Yes, yeah.
What if he tells your man? Don't you think you are in trouble?
I don't think he will do that. But if he does, I will definitely defend myself. Yes.
You are a bad girl.
My love, money is the goal. Money, baby girl, money.
Dash me some.
You dey crazy. You dey mental. Ha! Come on for here. That should wait.
Calm down.
Hey, let me order my hair.
Oh. Good evening, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I hope it wasn't so difficult for you to get here.
No, the address was quite clear. Yes, sir.
Very nice. Welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, this is my son, Muna Chimso. My beloved.
Hi, Mona. How are you?
Good
afternoon. Come here. Such a cute boy.
Yeah, he is. I mean, as cute as his father, is he not? Well, Auntie will be cooking your favorite for us.
Jaduade.
Well, she's Auntie Abianoju and that's her friend.
Auntie Sapporo.
Sapporo, she said. Okay, let me show you to the kitchen. Afternoon.
Yes, of course.
Feelings are real, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will see true love in reality. Oh, let me say that again. Feelings are true.
Obi, this your customer is rich.
Thank God, though. Thank God for his life.
But how did you come across such a rich guy?
My sister, all my customers are rich. You know, I don't know how God just bring them to my side. Good. And they pay well.
Yes, bro. Yes, she's a caterer. As I speak to you now, she's in my house cooking. Yes. Well, if you ask me, I think I like her. Yes, but we've not really talked about it, but my spirit accepts her. Yeah, sure. Yes, you can come to the house. Yes, when you come to the house, you'll see her and her friend. Yeah. No, I'm serious on this one. I'm very serious. Okay. Alright then, I'll be waiting.
You will see true love in reality. Oh, let me say that again. Feelings are true, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will witness the true meaning of love and joy when you find true love.
Wahala. Wahala is calling. Wahala is calling.
You are this of Kini.
Wahala. Hello?
I don't understand you. Shebi na you tell me say na me and you go go. Shebi you tell me say you go carry me go there. So wetin come happen now? You just want to cover yourself. Now you open your mouth tell me say you go carry me go there. So why you can't go there alone now? No be me be your kitchen assistant. No be me dey wash plates. No be me dey clean the kitchen if you finish cooking. Shebi na me dey serve food. So why you now only you can't go that man house? Why? You can't go my back now go in your house alone. You see you, man, I just see say you get another plan. Mommy, you get another plan for your mind. Where you go make you go another man's house. You know tell your pikin. You know carry your pikin go. You want yourself. Sitting at me, you aren't confused. I know you get plan. I know see you get plan.
Next time you will follow me. I'm very busy now. I'm cooking. Next time you follow me, because later. Hey! She's angry that I did not carry her. Somebody will carry her. She'll not go and be fighting with her. That's all. Don't have strength for anybody.
God say you know what you're picking will feed. Obi, you notice what I notice since you come here.
What do you notice?
This your customer just still look me. They look me see so.
They look you. Apollo do it for I.
I don't understand. I'm not a human being.
Why would they look you? As waiting.
Maybe they like me. They look me see so.
Come on your hand oh. Come out your eye. Face this way. Wait till carry us come here. I beg you. I know they for wahala. Just go beg you.
Why? How far the meat already? Give me one now. I'm gonna test my own.
Let me test it. I'm going to scoop you now. I will just scoop you. You want test?
When they say me finish, so now
I won't make I cook for you. Give me money. I will cook better food for you.
Hi! Your friend give you money.
So friends they support people, their friend business.
If I give you money, you go collect them.
So my friend, you never support my business before now. You own to chop shofri.
Waiting again are they gain from you if not be food? Waiting. You want to use that one take yab me.
So the only thing they gain from me na food.
Waiting again I don't give you. Dash me money. Wow. You can't give me one.
I really enjoyed your meal. I mean, one of the best I've had in a long time.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and I mean, the chicken was very spicy.
Yes, I tried to. I tried to do my best.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. I love you.
You do? Wow.
Thank you so much.
Tell Auntie thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. He's a quiet one.
Yeah, I mean, he really appreciates the meal. But
Really?
I mean, that tells how good you are.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
Like, somebody wants to say something about the food. She cooks better than I, right?
Come on, darling. That is not what I'm saying. You're also a good cook, okay?
I mean, we're all good in our own ways, in our different ways. I'm glad you enjoyed my homemade food anyways.
The best.
Yes.
We all did.
Thank you. I should be on my way now.
Okay, I'll drop you off.
No, you don't have to bother me. You have guests that you don't have to bother.
I insist, okay? I enjoyed myself. It's the least I could do.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Alright, boy.
Alright,
Let me drop you off.
bye-bye.
I'll be back, okay? Go to your room.
Okay, bye-bye.
Alright, play your game. I'll be back, okay? Oh, go to your room. Go to your room. Let me just drop out.
No problem. Come on, bro. I am not saying this lady is not beautiful. She is. But the fact remains that she has a child out of wedlock. So tell me, how are you going to handle that?
And is there a problem with that? I have a child too.
Come on, bro. You're a man. You can't compare yourself to a lady.
I mean, it makes no difference. I like her and my son likes her too. I mean, you guys should just stop judging her because of a mistake she made in the past. Please.
Boss. Boss. You see this thing? Well, I don't know what to say, Shao. It's your choice. But me, I'm not comfortable with all this. See all this setup, I'm not comfortable with it at all.
Come on, bro. Listen. This is not a matter of choice, okay? This is not a matter of choice. I guarantee you something. This lady cannot offer you the 100% attention you need.
Oh, well, I am not asking for 100%. I am just fine.
Michael, you don't understand how these things work. You need someone to take care of your son and someone to take care of you as well.
That's what I've been doing all this while. I mean, let's think like adults here. There's nothing wrong in someone being a single mother. It's a mistake she made in the past.
Well, it's okay. Have you actually spoken your mind to her?
Yes.
Like,
I mean,
you talked to her about the relationship?
Yes. Yes, I mean, she's very cool with it. She likes me and I like her too. I mean, whatever mistakes she made, I really don't care about it because it's in the past now. She may have met one of these nonchalant guys. And I can't judge her for that. Please, stop judging her and painting her black.
We're not doing that. If you say so, it's fine.
Well, me, I've said my own no. I'm not comfortable with this setup at all. At all.
Emotions are true, everlasting. You will see true love in reality. Oh, let me say that again. Feelings are true, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will witness the true meaning of love and joy. When you find true love, hey, everything go better. When you find true love, you will witness the beauty of love. I say when you find true love, you will see, say, love is magical. If you find true love, you go enjoy it higher.
I'm sorry for the delay.
It's fine. I mean, that can wait for now.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Well, how do I say this? But I want to tell you.
Did I do something wrong?
No, not at all. I mean, it's really far from that.
Okay. What is it?
With all humility, I'm asking you to be my girlfriend.
Sorry, I'm not laughing at you. Just I wasn't expecting this from you. This is new to me from my clients. My customers. I don't even know what I want to accept. Do you want an answer now?
Yeah. I was hoping I would get one now, if you don't mind.
Sir. So I'm a bit old school. You have to give me some time to think about it. I need to process this whole information so that, because a lot is a delicate matter.
Is it not? Well, take all the time you need and think about it categorically. And I know that you will finally realize that you feel what I feel.
I should send my food now.
Yeah.
It's getting cold.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Feelings are real, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will see true love in reality. Oh, let me say that again. Feelings are true, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will witness the true meaning of love and joy. When you find true love, hey, everything go better. When you find true love.
What is it to my sister?
Exactly, my darling.
Hey, what did you say Michael said to you?
He said that he loves me and he wants me to be his girlfriend.
Hey! See, you see fake love. Oh. Yes, fake love. Michael is just using all the scope he has to enter you. But he will not succeed. I'm here now. Hey, love.
No, that's not what he said.
You are still asking about what he said. I am telling you what he wants. Okay, fine. You self check him from this angle. Is Michael not rich?
He's rich now.
Is he not handsome?
He's very handsome.
Good. Michael can afford, in fact, people like him have girlfriends abroad. Sexy, beautiful, happening babes. Babes that knows what's up. What does he want to do with a food seller like you?
Oh.
But
please, I beg you.
Sorry,
you want to
oh.
insult me, start from saying you dey craze, you dey mad.
Okay, no
Which one is
vex.
food seller? Food seller, they not classy people.
But I know now, calm down.
Well, let me just tell you my mind. As for me, I like him. I like him and he likes me. I think we are good to go.
Like?
Yes.
You like him?
Yes.
Obi, why now? Why?
Why what?
Why do you want to become baby mama number 2? Obi, why? You've gone through this before, so I shouldn't even be telling you what is good and what is bad.
You are talking as if I'm a child. Am I your small sister or something?
You're not a child.
I know what I want.
I also know what you want. I'm your friend.
Ha! You know what I want?
Yes.
Are you sure you know what I want?
We both know what you want, and you don't want it.
Yeah, I want to.
Look me at the top. I can't warn you. Make you tell that your friend. Make una avoid my mama. You hear me? Make una avoid my mama. You don't come, you don't succeed. You don't go tell your friend. That one will get mumu head. You can't go, come our house. Like say, you know get what they do for your house. Make una leave my mama alone for me. I don't want to repeat myself again. I don't want to come warn you again. Make una leave my mama alone. Avoid that for me.
Hey, wait there. You this little girl. How did you even find this place? What is your problem?
So you just say I leave my house now. I leave everything what they do. Come here. Come to answer your question. I can't warn you. You know the question I answer. I can't do it for you. You don't hear me so? Leave my mama alone for me. Go tell that your friend. Make una. I don't want to cut person head though. I don't want cut. I don't want me to say I don't keep person picking. I don't want here for this life oh. I never keep before. And I'm not gonna like keep person. Leave my mama alone for me. I don't trust all of her. Leave me alone now.
Come on, will you live here? How dare you come to my site and start blabbing? What is your problem?
Come on. You go carry me. You come carry me now. Because you carry me, come here. Come carry me go now.
You pass like this.
No, come carry me go.
You pass like this.
I don't give you one for head. Good. See, I use God's name beg you. I use my left kidney to beg you. Make una leave me alone. Else, I go keep person. I go keep person.
She dey fear nobody. Over sabi, she comes so. Yeah. Somebody daughter, but wahala dey her body.
Why I'm saying this is because I don't want to, when you fall into it now, tomorrow you will say, Shay, you are a friend. Why didn't you tell me on time? That's why I'm telling you all this. It's not like I mean anything bad. Or
excuse me. What is this all about and why are you here?
Sir, that girl is too local. Just take a good look at yourself. Oh, Dogo like you, you're wealthy. What will you be doing with somebody like her? And she has a child. A very rude child at that. Hi, if her child insults you, sir, you can't think about your life. She's local. Eh?
So you mean Obianoju?
Yes. And not just that though. Obianoju is a flirt. I keep talking. Obianoju change, Obianoju said no. Obianoju shares her body like somebody sharing party jollof rice. She sleeps with married men, unmarried one, short, tall, dark, name it. In fact, let me tell you, it is one of the men she slept with that opened that shop for her. Yes, I'm telling you this so that tomorrow you will not say they did not warn you. I don't want you to regret in future because I've seen you are a good person. I'm a good person. Our spirits connect. Why? That's why I'm telling you all this thing.
And what is she to you again? Your childhood friend?
Not that we are even close. We are not close. Eh? We are not close. She's the one begging me for friendship every day. She bribes me with food. Yes. But, sir, you see me. My parents will train me. If you see training, I am well behaved, well mannered, from a good background. And I don't have a child. Eh? Just look at me now. Everything is still standing. You know what I mean now. I don't have a child. Trust me.
What is your name again?
My name is Sopuichi or Olivia. But you can call me Oli for short.
And I see that you grew up in a very decent background.
Are you still asking me? Very decent, well behaved. And listen, I can cook. What is she even cooking? Her food is full of Maggi. If I cook for you here, you will not even think about her again.
Well, thank you very much. That was very thoughtful of you.
You're welcome. And please, sir, don't tell her I told you anything. It's not like she will beat me or maybe those things are lies. No, they are not lies, they are all truth. But I don't want her to think that I exposed her secret too much. Hey, please, let us keep it between us, just our little secrets. Please, sir.
Oh well, the secret is safe with me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please, sit.
Well, there's no problem. You see, you're a very beautiful and hardworking lady. Listen, I know you have a child, and I'm willing to take care of you and your daughter. Just say yes to my proposal.
Sorry. Are you not Mr. Michael's friend? Best friend, to be precise.
Yes, of course. Michael is my very good friend. And let me tell you, there's something you don't know about Michael. You see, Michael is a womanizer. Michael has a lot of girls. I mean, a lot of women. You can see he's very rich. He's cute, he's handsome. Do you think someone like that is going to have your time? Think about it.
Okay. And you are not a womanizer. And you're a good friend.
Well, let's just say I am not. Yes, you can count on me. Trust me.
You're not a womanizer.
Not?
Okay, what about the lady that was condemning my food the other day? Is she your younger or elder sister?
Well, see, let me explain something to you. You see that lady? I have absolutely nothing to do with her. She's forcing herself on me. Listen, you're the type of woman I want. For real. All I want you to do is just say yes. And you'll see we're going to have a better life together. Trust me. So probably, I'll say just give it a thought.
Me, I foresee make you listen to your friend though. But as it be like this, now the kind eye why they look this your friend. If she still make you stand there, you run for your life. Because if you stand, now die you. They go die, they go kill you. You see, you be true friend. You know what to be friend. If not be say my mama they do mama put, you go be her friend. Not be for food today, you go be her friend for.
Shut up your mouth.
You shut up your mouth.
Obi, talk to this.
Mama.
Can you imagine?
Now be say me, I don't want to make her say them serve my mama breakfast. Because you know say you go get a CD when mama put the chop breakfast. You know.
Go inside.
Go inside! You know what? Inside. You know why they laugh? But I sure say, I sure for me say that because her mama they sell food, now make it a friend that. Make she stop to the sell food, make her they see you here. So you.
Obi, talk to this Opikin.
You know how my daughter can be. You know how Chikamsu can be.
Not because of you. If another person picking, I will find Pikin her size.
No, you don't go flog my Pikin,
No be every time they use skin correct pikin. I beg.
Okay. Voila.
This girl no go kill me. This pikin no go kill you.
So tell me how far, Mr. Michael. Don't tell me you want to consider him.
My dear, there's not so much thing there. If he agrees to accept my child, I mean, if he wants to date or marry me, he has to accept my child if he agrees. Who am I? I'll accept his proposal.
And you think he will? My dear friend, just come out of that side. He will not accept. Yes, you need to run away from such guys.
I think otherwise because something in me is telling me that he is for real.
Something in me is telling me that he is not for real. He only wants to see a beauty your ex. He wants to cultivate on your farmland. And once he finishes, he will dump you and run away. Don't be deceived though. Eh? Yes.
I don't think so.
Oh, you are my friend though. I don't want you to cry in future. I know why I'm saying this. Once beaten, twice shy. Don't forget you made such mistake in the past. Don't let it repeat itself.
The truth of the matter is that I'm falling in love with him.
Eh?
I'm falling in love with him.
Just like that?
How else do they fall in love?
Hi. Obi, why? Why do you want yourself to be used for the second time? Once beaten, twice shy. You've gone through this before. Don't be deceived by his looks. Because he's handsome. Forget that thing. The more handsome they are, the more deceiving and dangerous they are. You don't know? This guy will use you. I know why I'm saying this. I don't want you to regret. I don't want you to cry in future. Shine your eyes. Just forget about love. Focus on your business. It's moving well for you. That's the only thing you're concerned should be, not love. I say, come love. What is love? Academy love. Wait. You mean you want Obi, my friend, to be your wife?
Hey, exactly, no? Hey, do you think it's a plank? It's not a plank. I'm not even joking. You see, you can even lead my ribs. Lead my ribs. It's marriage.
Really? And your friend Eze is asking me to do the same thing for him? To convince Obi to be his girlfriend?
No, nah. You are getting it all long. You are getting it very, very long. You see, it is me that is asking Eze to be helping me to be convincing Obi to be my love. Because I'm truly loving her. You understand? So I am even buying Eze one plate of food, self, to be using correct English, to be expressing my true love for Obi. It's a strategy.
Are you calling me a liar? Are you?
No, sorry. But I'm not calling you a liar now. It's just that the way you are saying that my very good friend Eze is asking Obi out. Man, it's just like a blasphemy, huh? It's blackmail. But man, in fact, let me tell you something. You see, Eze, my friend, is even the one that is even convincing me to leave Obi because she is talking to me very, very lewd. She's very, very lewd and be talking to me anyhow. But as a big boy, we are enduring. You endure all the insults because it's true love. You know, it's not easy to true love, nah?
Yeah. So, this your head, where they shine like moonlight, is empty. I mean, no brain in your head.
There is brain now.
Brain! Brain, not brain. You don't have brain. You're just a big fool. Fool! Capital letter F. Mumu man.
Hey!
That is what you are.
You are insulting, no?
Yes, and I will insult you the more. So, all the beautiful and single girls in this village, you did not see anyone to marry. Let me even ask you, what is so special about Obianuju that every man is rushing her? It's either you want to sleep with her or you want to marry her. What?
Sleep? I don't want to sleep. Oh. Me is Mali. You see, that is the problem with everybody that is even understanding what I'm looking for. Me, I want to marry. I want to marry her. But today I'll be looking for someone to be sleeping. You see, Sopolo. Hey, for me, it is a wife that I'm seeking. That is the only thing that I'm even seeing. But I don't even care what you people are even seeing when you people see Obi. And as for that thing you are saying about Eze, in case if it is true, I'll go immediately and be checkmating him because I cannot be playing with my true love. I'll be checkmating him immediately.
You can go ahead and checkmate anybody you want to checkmate, but leave me out of it. Did you hear me?
Sopolo.
Fool. And yes, for your information, it is Mary. Mary, not Mali. Stupid.
Sopolo.
Fool.
Hey! Hey! Sopolo is not as you are thinking it. But if Eze is trying to do something stupid, I'll be checkmating him immediately.
Chikamso. She no dey even catch all of you when they talk about this nonsense. Shame, see this shame. You know they catch all of you. See as you be now. See as you be. Nobody same thing you want tell me to. It just be like they blow paper and say, pee! Oh yeah, make all of you waiting for this village they follow mama. Let me call of now they follow and bumper to bumper. Anywhere where should they go? Now they follow and bumper to bumper. What do you want?
I don't know. But there's something I said I want to tell you. I don't follow for people where they talk.
What do you want tell me? When no join for this thing? I just talk tanana. Oh yeah, what do you tell me? What you want tell me now?
I do want to make you help me tell your mama say I did like him.
No, what I just talk now.
What you talk?
No, be waiting. I just talk na.
I didn't hear what you said.
Why you want my mama? You wait like this now. We be like person who never chop belly full. Broom, why go fit break like this? You fit be my papa. Why you want? Because she dey cook. Anybody when they cook for this village, now all of them want follow. But people wey no get sense, people wey get money, people wey poor, people wey mumu, people wey no even get themselves. Because she dey cook, all of them just dey miropo, they follow her. Just like that.
Wait, am I the one?
Chekolo. Sorry. Am I hearing very, very well?
Look at this small girl. Am I the one you're talking to? Like?
I'm hearing wanting my mama. Who is marrying your mother?
Who is wanting to marry my mother? Now the same thing when you tell me. Now in this mumu they tell me.
Hey!
I help and go tell my mama. Say you want marry her.
And so? What's wrong with that?
Nah, I don't survive for this village well.
My true love.
What's in better? Small chinch. Everybody call to meet me like this.
Chekolo.
Make I talk to my mama.
Wait, so you are robbing my hobby? The same hobby, my love, my pure love that I'm loving, I'm be sending you message to go and be expressing my love. You are going to be expressing the love on your behalf.
Thank God you know. You are robbing. I'm loving. And you are expressing.
The same hobby you are telling me that she is a single mother, and very, very lewd, that I should be reading her. You are even trying to even acquire her for yourself.
Why can't I acquire her for myself?
Listen, you're not a good friend, though. You're not a good friend now. How can you be a good friend? When I'm spending my money on you, you are converting my love to your own love.
Oh, okay, you bought me one plate of food. Oh, that's why I'm converting your love. Then, which means you need to do the needful. Me, I'm converting your love into my love because I can speak good English. Unlike stark illiterate and broke like you that cannot even afford to buy a car. You're here speaking about love and your love and whatever. You have to be up and do what your mates are doing, and love will come naturally. Not being so stark illiterate and broke. We can't afford anything. So leave love for those who can afford it.
Eze, come on. Eze, so if it.
If you do anyhow.
Stella, what are you doing here? I thought we agreed that you will never step your feet in this house again. What is this?
Your gate is open. I didn't see your gate man.
Oh well, my gate man traveled, but that doesn't give you the impetus to come in here unannounced.
I heard you are falling in love with the chef that made your meal the other day. I also heard that she's a single mother, just the same way you are, single father. It's a nice combination.
Oh,
Good afternoon.
Abiola, you're welcome.
Thank you. I had to call early so that I can go on time.
Oh yeah, I can see that. I mean, I was wondering why you came so early, but that's fine.
So you are the woman trying so hard with your cooking skill just to collect my man here.
How dare you! I am not your man and you are not my girl. I have no business with you. Now leave my house this minute.
Okay. I beg, no face. This English word they speak since get us in doing for body. I beg, now your girlfriend.
She's not my girlfriend. This is Kelvin's girlfriend.
Michael, 2 million naira or I will stay.
How dare you?
I beg, no person. This 2 million naira, and I say you dey owe her money. I be now your pension. You get what you do?
I'm not owing her.
Hey, please just stay far. Stay far.
I like to buy trouble. And then you say, now there my pikin take resemble me. If I slap you, slap me. The press. The press. I will press you. If I press you, less. It's yours. I'm not less. Now this character my pikin carry. I just hide and sins. And if I vex, you know the now so her boyfriend, Kevin, come my shop, they ask me out. Now what's they vex me? They ask me out, say you be bad person. He kept saying that you're a bad person, that I should leave you, that I should not come close to you.
I'm sorry. Did I hear you say Kel?
I did not want to tell you, but he came to my shop and was telling me that I should not come close to you, that he wants to date me, that he will take care of me and my child. This guy just make me lose my character now, home training.
I mean, Kelvin went behind me to ask you out, like, date you?
What did he tell me? He say you be womanizer. Say make I leave you. Say you no be good person. Okay, I'm gonna leave that one. No worry. Make I go cook. Now waiting carry you cook. Don't worry yourself. This your just already touched me, please.
Let me tell you the truth. You're so sweet. For real. Of course, I won't be lying to you. Look at those eyes. Come on. Look into those eyes.
No. Tina, how dare you?
Hey, shut up! What's wrong with you?
Kevin, how could you? How could you do this to me? You are cheating on me with my girlfriends, Kevin.
And so? Yes, and so what? I'm cheating on you with your girlfriend. So what?
No.
What will you do?
No, Kevin, this is not right. Kevin, this is not right.
You that went to Michael's house, trying all you could in order to lure him to bed, but he refused. He even paid you to stop coming to him.
You?
Yes, instead, you insist.
You beat me.
Are you crazy? Hey, listen to me.
Kevin.
Now listen to me. I'm aware of all your activities. Now, what I want you to do for me is to pack your things and leave this house. Yes! After all, I'm the one paying the bills. Pack your things and leave!
No. Kevin, please, you can't do this to me. Kevin, please, Kevin, please, you can settle this thing, please. It's not what you think, please.
Settle what?
Settle it, please.
The fact that I know that you're cheating on me? What is that to settle?
Kevin, I have not cheated on you before. Huh? God is my witness.
What did you say? You told me everything. Yes, and Michael have been avoiding you. You've been waiting for Kevin to travel, so you can go and try your luck again.
Kevin, don't mind her. She's lying. See, I can explain.
Explain what?
I only went there because of money, please. It's not what you think.
Can you just listen to yourself? You went there because of money. Oh, you
went to give your useless body to him because of money.
Kevin, no, it's not what you think.
What I think you should do for me right now is just go, pack your things, and get out of this
Kevin,
house. Please! Get out of this house!
Kevin, please.
What else do you want me to listen to?
She's lying.
Now get out!
Kevin, please,
out!
please, don't
I said get out!
Kevin, please.
Get
Kevin,
out!
please.
Get out! Out!
Kevin, please.
Nonsense. Take, take!
Hey, feelings are real, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will see true love in reality.
I can handle it.
Well, I hope you know I can cook, right?
I don't know about that.
Well, I'm a fantastic cook.
Is there something you want to tell me?
Absolutely, yes. Something you must hear.
So what is it? Why are you smiling?
Oh, you're just amazing. For one. I want you to look in my eyes and tell me you feel what I feel.
What do you feel?
Love.
Well, I do not love you.
Well, I love you.
I don't.
Well, that must be sarcasm then.
Okay. I like you a lot. A whole lot. And yes, maybe it's love, I don't know. I just have a lot on my mind.
What could that be?
My child. I cannot be in a relationship and the partner in particular does not accept or do not accept my child.
Your child is my child. As is my child is your child. Yes. I mean, I just want us to be like a family. They are our children. Yes.
Our children.
Well, I want you to understand that I do not judge you by your past. And I wouldn't like you to assume that everyone in your future.
I was coming to that point. I wouldn't want what happened in my past to happen. So I'm just...
I understand.
Just the fear.
I know, I am so sensitive to your feelings and I can completely digest what you feel. And I promise that will never happen. I am an honorable man. And I just want us to be happy. I don't want you cooking for them.
For them?
Yeah. I want you cooking for us. You and I and our children. So you see, we have a very, very bright future together. And we will make it work. Don't you agree?
I don't know. We'll see about that.
Don't we?
Let me get back to you.
Is there something wrong with that?
Feelings are true, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will witness the true meaning of love and joy when you find true love. Hey, everything go better when you find true love. You will witness the dose of baba. You go to feel like small picking with a drinky baba. You go to feel on top of the world. When you find a special one, when you find true love, true love, true love, hey, everything go better. When you find true love, you will witness the beauty of love.
Thank you for the meal. I really enjoyed myself.
Thank you for eating my food, sir.
Thank you very much for helping him with his assignments.
It's okay. It's not a big deal.
Thank you. I hope you've told Auntie thank you. You have. So what topic are you going to
reality? Let me say it again. Feelings are true. No need to doubt. Emotions are true. Everlasting. You will witness the true meaning of love and joy. When you find true love, hey, everything go better. When you find true love, you will witness the beauty of love. I say when you find true love, you will see, say, love is magical. If you find true love, you go enjoy it, yeah.
I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you. Sorry I did not tag you along.
Obi. So he asked you not to bring me up here?
Why would he say such a thing? I did not cook much. I just did jollof rice and beans. That's all.
Okay, or if you say so. I want to be on my way now.
Yes. Okay, have you seen Chikamso?
No, I didn't see her. I'll see you in the evening.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay now. I'm okay.
Oh.
Don't worry. Enjoy.
Chikamso!
So after everything I told Michael, both of them are still seeing each other. So close. And who knows if he told her everything I said about her? How will I confirm it with her? So Obiano, you will now be the one to be dating a rich and handsome guy up here. Now we are in this village, roaming around. After one for that matter, a single mother. Why me that is still chala chala? I don't even have a boyfriend. Am I not beautiful enough? Eh? What do they even see in that girl? But wait though. Why am I bothering myself? I am sure that it's just to eat her, to enter her. That's the only thing Michael wants. The thing Michael won't carry after one do now. It's not possible now. There's no connection. I just to chop the plate, lick am, run. I go to this village. Not be this village. It go happen. And when it happen, I go laugh am last. I go laugh am. But if to say na me, this guy will chop, it will still good. Even if you won't run, but at least make him chop me. Make better man chop me for once now. Eh? So I will not give up. Me. I won't give up so easy.
Somebody thought about while they are body. She know they are what? She no send your papa. Now which kind picking be this yo?
No. It's not work, oh. Me, I no go agree, oh.
What will not work?
Hey.
What will not work?
The fine brother now. The fine brother. Yeah, I know say you fine, yes. I know say you get money. Yes. I know say you calm. I know say you get innocent face. But I no go agree. Now the same way tell me say my papa. Say my papa fine. He get innocent face. He get money. He did this, he did that. But still, he deny you. Deny me. I saw this actor go still deny you.
So what are you trying to say? That I should not give love a chance?
No, you say make you not give love a chance. If you want to give love a chance, give love a chance for my head now. I'm not human being. Love me. Love me well. That love where you go give man, give me the love. I need them.
What do you know about love?
What do you know about men?
Me, I not say men evil. Them bad.
Was that what I taught you?
You don't need to talk to me if I will know.
What are you doing here? Why are you here? Why are you here?
There's no problem. Oh. It's not that I'm even surprising that you are even washing clothes. When you're supposed to have been cooking. You did not cook today?
Oh, okay. I will soon stop selling food because I will sell the shop to Kuru's wife.
Ah! Hello, man. Hey! Jesus.
What? What is it? What happened?
Don't lie it. Don't
lie
lie it. How can we be surviving?
Which one is that? How can you be surviving? My mama be your God. You no get God again. Before she starts to sell food, you know they survive. I mean because of the free food which they give you.
It's not free food, man. It comes to Butu.
Bia, please come and start going. Come and leave.
Obi, I was wanting us to be discussing like a family.
Which family? Since when? Starting when? Eh?
Do you know I'm having true love where you are now? I'm having true love for you.
Please leave. I'm telling you gently, leave.
I'm loving you.
Guys, go come on here.
Sorry.
Come out now! See as you enter here, fly full everywhere. Come out!
Sorry.
She dey fear nobody. Over sabi. She comes up.
Hello, babe. Alright. Who is there? Babe, Stella is here. Yes. Yes, you need to come now.
You, this bastard. So, you have the guts to snatch my man from me, and you still remain here.
And so, what will you do? You better leave now because Kevin is around.
Kevin is around, and I'm going to kill you before Kevin will arrive. You still have mouth to talk, eh? Tina, just consider yourself a dead person. Because you will not live to tell Kevin the story. Stella, please. I don't have time for this. Wait.
Hey! What is wrong with you?
Kevin.
So you have the guts to come to this house? Oh, you want to beat her up? No! Go ahead and beat her up! Go ahead and beat her up!
Kevin, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I've realized my mistakes. Please, I'm so sorry. I still want you back, please.
Listen to me. Let me make this clear to you. The next time I am going to see you around this vicinity, I am so going to deal with you that you will not even understand yourself. Now get out of this place.
Please.
I said get out of this place.
Please forgive me now. If I leave, where will I stay, please?
Leave.
How is that supposed to be like this? Baby, let's leave.
Let her go first. Let her go. This is my house.
Shut up! This is my house, babe!
Not anymore.
Babe, this is my house. This house belongs to me.
Did you hear what she just said? Now I need you to get out.
Kevin.
I said I need you to get out.
Kevin, please. Kevin, please.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Did she hurt you?
Fine.
Why am I still asking you out? Is it because you now move with my boss? Eh? So let me tell you, he only wants to get in there and dispose of you. In case you don't know. Let me tell you now.
Really?
Yes. See, let me tell you. My boss has a girlfriend though. I mean Muna's mom. As a matter of fact, they talk every day on phone. They chat every day. He even visits her at the end of every month abroad. Yes, now he visits her abroad every time. So, wise up, oh, wise up. Maybe you open your eye. Look at me in front of you. Consider me, leave him.
Okay, Mr. Ben, tell me the reason You want to date me? Why? I want to know.
Because I love you now. Eh? I love you so much. And I also want to take care of your daughter. Eh? I want to play the role of a father in her life. I want to be a father figure to her. Don't you get it?
I appreciate your intentions towards me. But you see, I'm not interested. Yes, because I am in a relationship with my girl.
Is it because he has money? Eh? Because he ain't get money, Abby? Well, I tell you, you'll chop the money, but he will dump you afterwards. Perhaps after you might have given him a baby or two. He will just turn you to baby mama, dump you. Look me where they your front.
Let me be a judge of that. Let me find out if he actually has good intentions. Please. I'm not interested in you.
This one touch you.
You're supposed to touch you normal. I respect my relationship. Good afternoon. Welcome.
Nabi, why would they fight? What are we fighting?
I'm tired though. I'm tired. I'm listening it, I'm even tired. Why the fighting? Eh? It's because you are greedy. You are a greedy man.
Are you greedy? You greedy. I go say your fellow man. Anyway, look at you shock you. I hear say you need a good.
I'm hearing it. I'm hearing it too. I'm feeling weak. Very, very weak.
You're hearing it, you're feeling weak. Now that you go soon die. You no go see nyash, you no go see breaths. Where your fellow man they carry him up and down. Drop him, dash your money. Buy a cloth. Take up for. Maybe go soon die, don't worry.
Hey! Nice, it's spinning me. I'm listening it, it's spinning me very, very well. We have rushed that babe now. And now Okulo's wife will be going to that shop and be cooking rubbish. Be cooking rubbish.
Now you they call Okolo wife. That woman will not get nyash. Very dirty.
She's very, very dirty. Very, 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 very dirty. That is why I'm hating her. Hating her very, very well. Eh? Just imagine. She's spending me. Spending me.
Never start to the penny. But you fuck up. No matter the high go tell your fellow man, they can go the child, babe food. Babe, we sabi cook. We get nyash, get breast. Wait for someone courage.
I'm not blaming you, no? It's me that is doing wrong and be contacting you to be helping. But I'm not blaming you because you are not a good friend. I'm not be trying this thing next time in my life again. I will not be trying it.
Now you don't wake up from your stomach. You don't wake up, Abby. You don't say too much.
It's because you are greedy. You're not a good friend. You're not a good friend. I'm giving you money to be helping me to be using correct English to be expressing love.
You too, Mumu.
I'm telling you to be using correct English to be expressing love.
You don't get money. You don't speak English. You want it. You dey like nyash. Nyash. Every time nyash. Breast.
Is it? I'll be collecting my granite from you.
Go and make money.
I'll be collecting my granite from you.
Go and make money.
I'm giving you a granite here. Eat your granite. Something your mate buy me.
I suppose you have sent the money I just transferred to you, yes?
Yes, Miss. What for?
Well, my contract with you has been terminated. If I ever see you in any of my sites again, I will have you arrested.
Boss, because of a woman?
Oh yes! Because of a woman. You had the audacity, the impetus to defame my person before her. You even said things that were very untrue. How wicked can you be? Oh, because you think I'm so calm, so gentle. Right?
Boss, I'm deeply sorry. Please, let's not end things this way. Please.
If I go in and come back and still see you here, I will have you locked.
Boss, please. Boss, please. Boss, please now, please.
Madam, I no fit allow you enter inside say you dey go see my oga. You know possible because he talk say make I not allow you. You know one using two kuro I see you for here. So I beg just waka come from here. Tell God beg you.
Please help me. I have something very important that I want to discuss with him. Please, I beg.
Then call him for phone.
Oh God, I have called him. He's not taking my calls.
Then send text message.
Same thing.
Then madam is only now. Rest, you don't do this one, you know work, do that one, you know work. No, okay, make I beg you.
No. Stand up.
Just rest for me.
Stand up first.
Come on here.
Abel, please. It's me, oh. It's me, Stella, please. I want to see him. I have something very important to discuss. You see, I'm having issue with my guy, Kevin. And he's the only one that can talk to Kevin. Please, let me see him.
No, tell me how this is.
Please, now let me go.
Come on here, they talk. You please tell play. Okay, make I change them for you. No, like this.
I'm going to give you money.
I'm
going to give you money.
I don't see now Mumu they worry you. I don't see it. It's written all over you, Mumu.
Oh,
greediness don't carry you come here because you don't see fine house. You don't see OG we get money, we do off man. You don't carry your greediness. Come out and from the look of this, they don't catch you. They don't catch you. Come on from here before I go beat you. To beat you since you don't go hungry and not today, not today. Thank God not today. I go beat
Stella. It's me, Stella. I used to dash. Remember when I used to dash you money that time, please.
I say we dey do crazy. That time. I didn't say you put 15,000 for the consider.
Oh yes, I'll be expecting you guys. Yes. Well, I'm about to take Muna for lessons. Okay. Do you want me to pick you up on my way back? Alright then. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Deal. We have a deal. I love you so much. Alright, thank you.
Daddy, is Auntie going to the house?
Yes, she's coming for the weekend.
Yes, I want her to come and live with us.
Don't worry, my boy. Very soon. Okay? Let's go for lessons. Where's your school bag? Is it in the car? Did you put it in the car?
Feelings are real, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will see true love in reality. Oh, let me say it again. Feelings are true, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will witness the true meaning of love and joy when you find true love. Hey, everything go better when you find true love. You will witness the beauty of love. I say when you find true love, you will see say love is magical. If you find true love, you go enjoy it higher. Everything go blend, everything goes up, baba. You go to feel like small picking with a drinky baba. You go to feel on top of the world. When you find a special one, when you find true love, true love, true love. Everything go better when you find true love. You will witness the beauty of love. I say when you find true love, you will see say love is magical. If you find true love, you go enjoy it higher. Feelings are real, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting. You will see true love in reality. Oh, let me say it again. Feelings are true, no need to doubt. Emotions are true, everlasting.
Sapolo, I'm seeing you, Sapolo.
What is it? What is it? Why hold you? Why are you following me? What is it?
Hey! I've been calling you. You are learning. It's just that I've been listening. I've been listening very, 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 very well. And that is why I say, let me listen with you. In fact, Sopolo, why is it that you are not to learn how to cook from your friend or be my clutch? Eh? In fact, why you are not learning?
You have been reasoning about my life. So you can reason about somebody else's life, but you cannot reason about your own life. Me, Soporuchi, should learn how to cook from Obi. Did I tell you that I don't know how to cook? Did I?
No, sorry. You are not understanding it, you are getting it wrong. It's just that I'm listening that if you know how to cook very well, Obi would not to give that her shop to Okolo's wife. You would have taken inventory of the whole shop and be doing very, very well there.
Hi. Soporifuwaganya. What are you doing? Do you have a job? Why didn't you take over the shop? Oh, so you don't know say myself they do papa put. I'm the one that is supposed to suffer, okay? I should take over ordinary roadside mama put shop. For what now?
Sapolo, you are being very, very rude. This thing that I'm listening is normal listening. In fact, if you are looking at it that way, you even see that for somebody to be working hard, it is very, very good. Just look at your friend now. Just look at your friend now has moved from Mama Put in the village to Italy in the city. That is upgrade. And you are here looming up and down in the village.
God will punish you.
Hey.
May thunder fire you.
Alakono.
What are you doing? Do you have a job? All your mates are married in this village. They have 3, 4, 5 kids. And you are still here single, looking for small girls to deceive. I heard you are now going after that girl that roast plantain along the road because you could not get Obi. Foolish, hungry, idiot, mumu man. That's what you are. Don't you dare follow me. Stupid man.
Sopolo, you are better learn a lesson though. Better be learning lesson and be listening with me. Why are you lewd? You be lewd now, be looming up and down in the village. That your friend who go and get married to a rich man in the city again, and you still be looming up and down, being lewd. Nobody knows tomorrow, nah? Am I even giving you normal listening? Is it not listening? Hey! Normal listening, pa. Hey! Normal listening, oh. Yeah.
So, this will be your room for now. I hope you guys like it.
Like, I love it. We love it. It's very beautiful. Right?
That's good to hear.
I don't say you get son. What is son there?
Oh, Mona, he went for lessons. He'll be back later this evening.
Okay. Wow.
Alright. Enjoy yourselves.
Thank you.
There's a bathroom here.
Okay.
And a standard wardrobe for you.
We'll look around later.
Feel free.
Thank
and
you.
if you need anything, just let me know.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Make everyone salt me. Wait.
What's wrong with you? You remember what I told you to behave yourself?
Now, question. When will you come out for this house?
Don't ask me that stupid question. Don't ask me that stupid question. Don't ask me that question.
Why leave here?
No, I want to swim. I want to be swimming inside here. Wait for me, I'm coming.
One child they do calling now. We never even wait for the house. We never enter. What they do calling? No problem.
She no send your papa. Now which kind picking be this yo? One day one trouble. She be she comes sexy, very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble, and so she live her life. She comes so she know they are what they are told. Come so bad,
Give me a remote. Give me the remote. Why the dragon? Give me the remote. Why? Come on, your hand. Give me the remote. Come, it's a dragon. I go eat you. Come on, give me the remote. Give me the remote. Come on, your hand, man. Give me the remote. Daddy. How do you get daddy? Ta. Mommy. Daddy. Mommy.
What is wrong with you? Mona, what's the problem?
What's this?
Wait, leave the remote for her, okay? I mean, you don't argue with a woman, okay? Sorry. You have your own television in the room. So just go to your room and watch, alright? Just leave her. Baby.
Margaret Thatcher.
Go to your room, yeah?
Margaret.
What is the Margaret? I don't know Margaret.
Give me the remote. You are bullying that boy because you know he's a quiet boy. I know my daughter. This girl. I gave birth to her, I know her. Give me that remote.
No. I want to watch TV now.
Sandy. Come on, give me that remote.
All of us go drag this remote.
I said, give me the remote. No, wait. Oh yeah, fly to your room. Fly to your room. Nah, give me. Bully. Because you know the boy is quiet. Margaret Thatcher. I know my daughter. And she knows I know her. And she knows me. She's my daughter. She knows that your son is very quiet. She wants to bully him.
It's okay.
Bully.
Just, I mean, they are kids, so just say
My daughter is an ancestor. I know my daughter. She's an ancestor.
It's okay.
Please, help me and talk to your friend. See, I really love him. If you see love, nobody in this world can have such love for you. Please.
Relax. I connected them. Okay. And I can still disconnect them. Okay? He listens to me now. Relax.
Please, do it for me. I will forever be indebted to you. I promise. Please.
If that's what you want, yes. I will do it. Relax, I will do it.
You do it for me?
I will do it. And I can assure you that by the time I am done talking to him about you, we will chase your friend out and pick you in her stead.
Hi. Trust me. Hi. Ben, thank you. Don't worry. You will not regret this. I promise you, you will not regret it.
I will not regret it. I will do it. But then, it will cost you.
I'll pay. Is it no money? How much? Just name your price, I'll pay it. Money is not my problem. Please.
Okay. A night with you is all I want.
What?
You heard me. A night with you is all I want, and I will make sure he is yours forever. The ball is in your court.
Michael, I am very sorry. Please forgive me.
Well, at least you know that I didn't sleep with your girlfriend. Unlike you, who is very dishonest.
Michael.
I am ending this friendship now.
Michael, like I said, I'm
I am getting married to Obiano here. She will be my wife.
Please, consider our friendship.
No amount of backbiting will stop me from loving her. I mean, how did I even trust you? You and Ben. You are so inhuman. backbiting and defaming her because she's a single mother? Who bred you?
Michael, please. Just...
You have to leave my house now.
You're asking me to leave your house?
Yes. Leave my house now. Don't make me repeat myself.
I'm sorry.
Are you okay? You're talking to me like that? Okay, I'm talking to you like that. About do make I close this gate, I beg. I don't want them to open this gate anyhow, beg. You don't understand? You don't look me like this. You know everything we wanna talk for that inside, say I hear them. Oh, he shock you. I grab everything we wanna talk. You self on the norms, I know see you be bad friend. You self now gonna person I know. I beg I come out from here before I first, so I go just push you self. You go know say it happen. Come out from here, I beg you. All like before, I beg she up. Your girlfriend wants cheating, cheating the show. Papa, pass, so me I go push you. I know they go now. Come on, I beg. Don't fuck up.
What? You're sweet. Hey! Very, very sweet.
Please, forget about me being sweet. Just focus on our agreement. Don't fail me.
I will not fail you now, eh? As for that one, relax. I have a meeting with him tonight. We'll talk about it. Eh? Yes, now.
And one more thing. Nobody must hear about this.
Yeah.
Your mouth sealed. Keep it to yourself.
I don't kiss and tell. That one is not a problem. Eh? So baby. Eh?
Meaning what? Where Papa dey? I go in your room, you know, they were in there.
What?
You entered my bedroom.
What's gonna happen?
Don't tell the one to do that.
Meaning what? I beg where your birthday? Which room? Because he managed to do this kind of nonsense as they see me cannot enter in. Where your birthday?
My daddy went out with aunt.
Who is aunt? Who is your aunt? Now ma you dey call aunt.
Don't understand.
What you know understand? I know the what I dey speak, you know the hear. I say where they come out to do? Wait, your papa and my mama come out to go somewhere for this night. Where be that place where they go? They not tell you. They not tell you know they talk well. I know they hear what you did. I mean you know they hear what they talk. And they speak Hausa for you. Talk well, make her they hear you know be boy. Cause this one when they do like yeah. Give me for make a call her. Where you they take call person and what you do save the number? Where? Yeah.
She dey fear nobody. Over sabi, she comes so.
Hey, I'm tired.
Why you no go tired? What you know about you for that place?
Was that why you were calling me with Luna's phone? Disturbing my phone. So you can't stay alone, you can't stay on your own, eh?
I don't understand why anytime I talk about this man matter, your body go dey pepper you. Because you know say you there at fault, anybody will do something way bad, if they talk about her, body go dey pepper. What you wanna do? Where wanna go?
Well, he has proposed to me. So I'm going to be his wife. So that is your daddy now. Your new daddy.
Na scam. You see this nonsense? Na scam. Plenty ladies for outside, they don't engage them. They engage them, they go tie them down. Engage. This thing now, meaning not to tie you down. Nobody go come close to you.
And that's why he wants to get married to me. And how did you know about all this adult stuff? All these adult things, who taught you?
You tell me say na your grandmama where say I come back for your grandmama will die. Say na me come back alive.
No, it can't be my grandmother. You are my ancestor.
You can call me Shrine.
Ancestor.
If you like, call me Shrine. I'm okay.
Whether you like it or yes, he's now your new daddy, and this is our new home.
My mom will say very soon they're gonna call you Lord of the Rings because plenty men too go come. They put ring. They go fool this hand.
Leave me alone. Not only be born picking for this life.
Why you want make her? You don't born. You don't born. You don't go marry another man. You don't born.
Well, no, now. As you know, I don't go marry. Come marry me now.
They go call you.
Come marry me.
Lord of the Ring. Now what you be?
Now you go.
Another man go put ring for your hand.
If I slap you,
Wait, you know what? Listen to me. Another man go come tomorrow. Put that ring for your hand. Another man go come put ring. You go. The ring go for your hand.
Tell me. So you mean he engaged you last night?
You're not blind, girl. Look at it. He engaged me. And guess what? The best part is that he planned to open a big eatery for me.
It's a lie.
Yes. Look at you. See, God is good. I'm telling you. In fact, what God cannot do does not exist. Do you know that we have met with the agents? And as I'm speaking to you, before next week, I should be the owner of, in fact, the CEO of my own restaurant.
Hey, my dear, I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Super excited.
See, all you need to do is keep a clean heart and pray. Yours will come. Okay?
Amen.
Let's cheers to good things.
Cheers to your new home.
Thank you.
Hey, babe. Hey, what's up? Babe. No. This isn't true. Babe, wake up! Babe, wake up!
How dare you?
What have I done? Why did you slap me?
You're asking me? Huh? You're asking me? After sleeping with me? After giving you all the styles you requested for? You slept with me 2 good times and you had the effrontery to tell me that you're no longer with Michael. You the Chris? Are you okay?
Wait. Is that what this is all about? Are you out of your mind? You want me to go and talk to a man who clearly doesn't want you? Who is clearly in love with your best friend? Are you out of your senses? What is wrong with you?
Oh, so now you know. When you were taking me the way you like, spreading my leg as you like, you didn't know? You didn't know? Eh?
My God. If not that I don't cheat women. Do you know you're beautiful?
You are mad. You are stupid. In fact, my God will punish you.
God punish you.
Punish you!
Come on, get
punish you!
I should go and talk to a man for you. Look at you. You can't talk to a man yourself. A man that's in love with your best friend. What is your problem? So that's why you slapped me.
And I will slap you.
You want to do them again? Let me tell you, I don't cheat women. But if you try it again, I will beat you and I will treat this as a man-to-man situation. What is your problem? George, look at you. Mugu, I know of ya.
Mugu!
I know of ya. Come on, get out.
Look at you, yellow papa.
So discard your best friend.
Who punish you? Oh God, what will I do now? Hey, after eating me, hey, stop.
Get out!
Oh God, please help me. Where will I run to? Oh my God. It's not intentional. Oh, Tina, please. Forgive me. I don't know what came over me.
Hello, babe. Yeah, I'm done already. We're done. Who is there? Babe, are you there?
Hi, Tina. Funny bastard. You think I will leave you to have my money? You think I will allow you to betray me and go scot-free?
Stella, I'm done with Kero. I'm done, okay? I'm leaving here. I'm done.
Oh, really? You are living here just because you want to go for your service? You think you can fool me? You this bastard. By the time... Stop you! You will die. You will die. You bastard. Think you can betray me? You will die. You will die. Fool. Bastard. What did I do? Zakia. Jesus. Zakia. Oh my God. Tina.
See, listen, if you move, they will kill you. Okay?
Please.
So you killed Zina, right? You killed your friend.
Kevin, please, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. It's not intentional. I don't know what came over me.
It is not intentional, right? It is not intentional.
Yes.
Do you know she was pregnant for you? Do you know she was carrying my child?
No.
You're very stupid. Officer,
Kevin,
take her,
Kevin,
let's go.
please, Kevin,
Hey! Udara kala mapozo afọ. Udara kala mapozo afọ. Hey! What happened? Woman, take this. Apply it on your face and move straight to his house. Avoid anyone that knows you. As soon as you get to the house, he will fall in love with you. Do you understand?
Yes, wise one. What wise one? I should avoid anyone that knows me.
If not, that person will be the one to love you, and there's no solution.
Wise one, how do I go about this? How can I avoid everybody that knows me?
This place is far from your kingdom. I don't think that anyone knows you here.
No, but you never can tell.
Woman, obey instruction. Drop the powder now and leave my shrine.
Hey, I'm sorry, wise one. I will obey everything. I'm sorry. Wise one, should I apply it now?
No, don't apply it now. Apply it anytime you want to see him.
Thank you, wise one.
Why are you saying this? Don't you know me? No, Joe.
Okay? You mean your fiancé is around now? Oh, nothing. Please, I'm on my way coming now. Just prepare something nice for me.
Is my eyes playing blank? Yeah. Is my eyes playing blank? Sopolo.
What are you doing here, this man? What?
Sopolo. Long story, cut short. In fact, no long story. Malimi.
What?
Sopolo. Malimi, na. Here is my maternal home now. I'm becoming to be checkmating things here. Just marry me immediately.
Yeah, I was almost getting to the town road. Why this poor
You must to marry me. Sopolo, you must to marry me.
Nabi, don't you dare. I will never marry you. Today, tomorrow, never. Don't you dare follow me. Don't you dare follow me.
Wrong story. Cut short. You must to marry me. Sopolo, you must to marry me.
Hey, let me rest a little. Hey, Chimo, what do I do now? Hey, how did I get myself into this trouble, God? Is this how this boy will pushing me up and down? Hey, what do I do, Sopolo? Sopolo, think. Should I go back to Ezemo? Hey, no. Ezemo said there's no remedy. Hey, Sopolo, I finished. Hey.
Isapolo, you must marry me. Hey! Marry me, Isapolo, you must marry me.
Stay there. Don't come close. Don't come close to me.
Isapolo, marry me now. But you know I'm having true love for you.
Don't come close to me. Stay there.
True love.
I don't love you.
You must marry me, Isapolo. You must marry me. Isapolo, you know I'm having true love. I'm loving you. I'm loving you.
I don't love you. I don't love you.
You must marry me.
I don't feel sleep for that room. Ghost! They drag my head, they drag my leg. I don't feel sleep. Ha!
I don't understand. A ghost in my house?
Plenty. In my room, not be your house. My own room.
In your room. You and I know that there's no ghost in that. But let's go and see.
Now you see the ghost. Now me see, I may go.
Let's go and see.
May go, no go see. May go. Now you see the ghost. Come stand.
Show me the ghost.
Hey!
Show me the ghost. Show me the ghost.
Now yes. Ghost full all this room. You get one waiting for that my head side. That one waiting for my head side. Come to drag my hair like this.
See any ghost anywhere?
There's no ghost.
There ghost day, I'm sure of what I'm saying. Ghost day.
My dear, you will sleep in this room. You will sleep in this room.
I'm not gonna sleep here alone, no. Either me and you sleep here, all of us go to that room. Okay, you say you know they see ghost here.
Just calm down, okay? There is no ghost in this room.
No. When I want to make her die, I don't feel sleep here. No. Like. Ghost day here. You say you know it now. Another one waiting for that day. Now come drag my leg. No. I'm not fit.
But there's no ghost here.
Okay, let me ask you something. Now you beat this out from beginning to the end. I bet you buy them from person.
Will you shut up your mouth?
I get spiritual eyes. I know what's not they talk.
Okay, you want us to sleep in this room?
Yes.
We are going.
Let me see the good two of us. Sleep.
Enter.
Enter.
Where the ghost?
Hold the door. You know what will like that?
Now wait. Yeah?
Maybe when we like that, you will see her.
Nothing.
I don't want that one.
I know.
Come on. Are you not going to sleep?
I never want to sleep now. You go first sleep.
Please, just...
I know her. Next thing she said she's looking for ghosts. Ghost that is looking for her. She said she's looking for the ghost here.
Please, just let her be. Let's continue what we're doing, okay? She will eventually fall asleep.
Thank you. I know what she wants. I know why she want to make her sleep. But when I not go sleep.
My dear. So, when you put this on now?
It will be like this floor cold. Make her come join on for bed.
That's exactly.
Make her come join on. Shift, and make her join on now. they reach here? Mama! 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 Jesus! Mama! Hey! Mama, don't do me for one night. Eh? Mama! Who carry me come back here? How are they come this house? Jesus! Jesus! Mama! Hey! Mama! Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Your mom is in her room sleeping.
Hello.
Yes.
She not sleep here.
No, she didn't sleep here.
Wow. So now allow me sleep here.
Yes, you were very tired. Is anything wrong with you sleeping here?
When they sound like good man, I've been pretending to pretend.
I am not pretending. What is wrong with you?
We make her ask you something first, as my mommy no day yet. You like my mommy too.
Why would you ask me a question like that? You're a kid.
I know. But now my mommy matter, so I go know. You like her, you want marry her.
Go back to sleep. Okay?
Answer me now. Let me get a key. If you don't talk now, you no go feel marry her.
I want to marry your mom. I love her so much. With every fiber of my being. Is that what you want to hear?
So you sure say you no go break her heart? Because one me I know they like all this men, they come our way, they say they break her heart. She don't too cry too much for man matter. Now make her no don't want any man come close to her. So promise me say you no go break her heart.
I promise. Can you go back to sleep now?
I never finish shooting at the talk now. So if you want marry my mommy, let me say you go take me to us or picking where you born. No maltreat me after you marry him.
Have I been maltreating you? So you see, I'm a good man here. Your mom deserves me, I deserve her, you deserve me. You will be my daughter. You are my daughter. And my son is your brother, okay?
Voila. At least, I this way I agree say I be your daughter. I go like me your son to be my brother too.
Okay, just go back to sleep.
Please, we don't become rich people.
Yes, we are. Alright, go back to sleep.
She dey fear nobody. Over sabi, she comes so yeah. Somebody daughter, but wahala dey her body. Jay, she no dey hear what she no send your papa. Now which kind pikin be this yo? One day one trouble, she be double wahala. Ayo, yeah. She comes say very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble, and so she live her life. She comes so she no play and walk in at all. Come so banyo, yeah. I ask her which kind of picking no be this year. Picking no like trouble, like a trouble, passive food. One day one trouble, and so she deliver. Come so banyo, ayo. Yeah. Somebody daughter, but wahala dey her body. Jay, she no dey hear what she no send your papa. Now which kind pikin be this yo? One day one trouble, she be double wahala. Ayo, yeah. She comes say very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble, and so she live her life. She come so she know they are what they at all. Come so banyo, yeah. Make I ask now which kind of picking be this year? Picking like trouble, like a trouble, massive. One day one trouble, and so she deliver. Come so banyo, ayo, joy, ayo. She dey fear nobody. Over sabi, she come so, yeah. Somebody talk about wahala dey her body. Joy, she know they are what. She no send your papa. Now which kind picking be this yo? One day one trouble, she be double wahala. Ayo, yeah. She can say very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble, and so she live her life. She comes so she know they are what they at all. Come so banyo. Asking her which kind of picking be this year. Picking like a trouble, massive food. One day one trouble, so she can live. So
Settle. Jesus! Monica, I saw. Big to the it's you.
Somebody talk about wahala dey her body. She no send your water. She no send your papa. Na be this yo. One day one trouble. She be double wahala. She come say very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble, and so she live her life. She come so she know they are what they at all. Come so
Hey! You must to marry me. You must to marry me. Marry me. Sapulu, you must to marry me. Marry me.
What do you do to this man? This is not ordinary anymore.
You must to marry me.
I think this is not ordinary.
Sapulu, you must to marry me.
Rose, I beg.
Dare to marry me.
Okay, leave
Dare to marry me.
Okay.
Leave her alone. Leave her.
I will marry you.
You must to marry me.
I will marry you.
Sapulu, you must to marry me. Marry me. Sapulu, you must to marry me.
So, nothing like so. Let me see.
Madam, good evening. My wife wants you. My new wife. My wife.
Your wife?
Yes.
Was that why you don't iron me?
Ofaja won't kill me. I just figured out what I come out. Ofaja, you.
Did he tell you that?
Bring your egg.
Hey, my dear.
Hey. Is he married?
Should we ask?
Yes, I should be asking. I should be asking you.
Do you think he's drunk?
Let's go.
What is this?
My wife.
Who's your wife? Go that way.
Oh, my wife.
Go that way.
Will you take your hands off her once?
Sokolo, are you married to Abel?
It's a long story. Very long.
What is it?
Wife.
Please.
You.
My friend. He's the devil. Please.
Why you didn't kneel down? I didn't hear.
Please.
My wife.
I'm sorry. Obi, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
You think I got dinner?
The devil.
What happened?
I was envious of your relationship with him because I wanted him for myself. Please, forgive me. I tried to poison his mind against you, but it didn't work. I failed. So, forgive me, please. I went to one herbalist man.
I'm sorry. Did I just hear you say herbalist?
Yes.
Juju man.
Don't be herbalist. Juju man.
Herbalist.
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 Yes. Yeah.
He gave me a charm so that he will love me instead of you. And he warned me, he warned me never to allow anybody that knows me to see me in his village. Unfortunately, I ran into Nabu and the charm caught him instead. And since yesterday, he has been following me up and down, saying that he will marry me. Please, Ogom, please, my in-law. I'm sorry, it's the devil's handwork. Devil. Please.
I thought we were best friends.
Yes, we are. We are still best friends tomorrow.
Oh, please.
Devil did this one.
No, go back. Just go back. Make sure you say she won't marry you.
Go back.
My in-law, I'm sorry.
Your in-law, where? Please carry your charm and leave. I'm forgiving you. Go. Carry your charm and go.
Don't touch me.
So you can be this evil.
Never happen again. Never.
Please take this your juju and leave my house.
Hey, don't do this to me. The only friend I have.
That
friend, my in-law, please say something.
Who's your in-law?
Please.
Who's your in-law? Abel, take her out of here. Carry your wife out. I said carry her out.
Come on, stand up. Come on from there.
Listen.
I said leave now.
Please, madam, forgive me. I don't know.
Carry your wife and go.
No, not my wife.
You must carry your wife.
They go now. Go.
My in-law, say something.
They go.
Please,
My in-law, carry her.
Madam.
Carry her, go.
Boss, I don't know.
Go and close the gate.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
What was that gate?
I don't know.
This is this stupid friend that you call friend. And this is now because you dey cook food, now you make she dey be friendly. As you just talk to the cook now, she want attack you. You see her? I don't tell you.
We are going inside.
This must be a movie.
It's not movie. Real life story. It's not even if you come again now. Bet me.
We go upstairs. I thought she was my friend. Well, how come you didn't tell me she's been saying bad things about me?
Look, I'm so sorry I didn't tell you about this. I didn't know she's this horrible. I mean, she tried to spoil your name before me, but I ignored her.
For real?
Yes.
And she was there. She was saying bad things about you, saying you're going to break my heart and all that.
She did?
Yes! Serves her right. I'm going to show you. No kiss. Show me that thing.
I'll show you.
Somebody talk about wahala dey her body. She know they hear what. She no send your papa. Now which kind pikin be this yo? One day one trouble. She be double wahala. Ayo, hi, yeah. She come say she very stubborn fellow. One day one trouble. Now so she live her life. She come so she know they are what at all. Come so banyo, yeah. Make I ask now which kind of begin to be this year. Begin to like trouble, like a trouble. trouble on her, so she didn't leave.